Wow. Oh, there we go. Hey, look, you're automatically showing up. It just worked.
What the hell? What do you mean I'm automatically showing up?
Meaning your little guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Silly little guy.
Why do I have a
But
pin?
I broke my stream. I don't know what I did wrong. I'm stupid.
I know what he did wrong. It's fine. I know how to fix it in the future.
Okay. Well, that's good. Okay.
So what are you working on today?
I wrote down a few things.
Okay.
I wanna maybe do some sticker designs. I wanna make the charge indicator larger because it's currently doesn't. The one in the top left, which I might change to.
Okay.
I might change that to damage. Make that larger so it can accommodate larger numbers. I also want to make it a separate sprite, so that way we can make it like different shapes or something if we want to. For because if it's damage, maybe you could like indicate the damage type or something like that.
Yeah, that's funny. I just realized I wasn't following you on Twitch, even though I'm a mod in your chat.
And then also, I might try messing around with a new charge indicator, even like just putting a number above the card, see if that feels good.
Sounds good.
Yeah, and then I wrote down a couple ideas for like stickers, like the Link one that you said, invisible sticker, eternal sticker. So like invisible would make it not take up space in your hand. And
can you ban CK from the YouTube channel?
Yeah, I can sub-ban him from the YouTube channel.
Don't actually. Also, hello Moaz.
I know, chick. Hello Moaz.
I'm assuming Moaz is still here.
Hello Moaz.
His ass is not going to be in bed.
He's not going to bed.
He's not going to bed. Well, what I am doing is I'm attempting to draw more lines because lines are really cool.
Cool.
And I'm trying to fix some
what are you trying to draw lines for?
Issues. So I was going to try to get this done so that I could...
What do you mean the stream number is wrong? It's not wrong. It's literally not. The last one was 24. This one is 25.
What if there was one missing in between? Like, what if 23 wasn't real? Or like 22?
Like, just look at my channel. It literally says 23, 24, 25.
Crazy. I was gonna hope to have this as a surprise, but I couldn't get it to work. But the idea was to have a trail. I wanted to make a general use trail that would just like...
Oh, you're streaming. How does that hold up?
Yeah. I mean, it's not gonna do anything right now because it doesn't really exactly work. But I was gonna add a trail so whenever the card flies onto screen, it has like a thing behind it.
Oh, maybe.
But you know, we're getting 1400 debugger errors because I can't do triangulation.
Let's go.
So, yippee. Anyone know the order that Godot likes to rasterize polygons in? Question mark? Anyone at all? Raise a hand. Show of hands. Okay.
Okay, well, I will get started with, oh yeah, also, I made these cool stickers yesterday. I made the funny shape stickers.
Oh, yeah,
That was not on the stream.
That wasn't it, yeah. That was not on the stream.
And you can also,
hey, Moaz.
Hi, Moaz.
Moaz, buddy, can you tell me, what order, it rasterizes in? You know. He has no fucking clue.
As you can see, we have our beautiful stickers. If it'll load. Oop. Oh, I clicked the add sticker card button before I had cards.
+1, I.
Let's try that again.
Yeah, I don't know. You don't know what that means? Okay, thanks, bud.
Wow.
Yeah, you can go back to playing Dota now.
There we go. See, look, we got stickers on the cards. And now if we hit add sticker, it'll add a random sticker to a random card. So way to spam add sticker. It'll give us a bunch of stickers. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Whoa, that's
beautiful
great, dude.
Stickers. And eventually you'll be able to like pick where the stickers go, so you can make funny drawings with your stickers, like Counter-Strike. But that's Biggy's job to add that, because like I don't know how to do that.
This is true. Oh man, I'm so angry.
By the way, you can soft lock yourself in the tutorial by killing the dummy before the door closes.
Oh shit, you're so right. Well, no, you can't.
Yeah, I know.
I ran into that one during testing, actually, now that you mention it. And I was like, shit, is this even possible? So I made sure that there was no way for you to kill the dummy before the door closes.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, another cool card idea that we could have is like a teleport, like a Ash ult kind of thing. Or maybe something that like teleports you across the screen and then like deals damage across where you teleported. I'm gonna write that down.
It's like crazy that you say Ash ult.
Yeah.
I wonder
Apex
why you're
Legends.
saying Ash ult. He's thinking about Apex Legends right now.
No, I mean I was just thinking like I was thinking of a teleport and I was like, what kind of games have cool teleports? And I was like, that one has a cool teleport. So like,
yeah, he's just thinking about that sick ass Ash clutch that I got. Was it last night or the night before?
Yeah, that was like 3 nights ago.
I have
don't
no
remember,
idea.
man.
I have no idea.
But we do need to add more cards because right now they're kind of boring. I'm not gonna lie.
That's crazy.
Yeah, they're like awful.
Suit says I hate the cards.
Yeah.
You are so right. But like, you know, that's your doing. You know, you didn't design any cool cards.
We should also decide what these stickers are gonna do. I definitely think the gold ones should like give you more money, even though we don't have money yet.
Yeah. We don't have money yet, but that would be cool. Because the shop is like required.
Yeah, I had some ideas in terms of what the currency should be. There's either bloodstones and fish scales. I don't know if I like either of those, but those are just things that I had written down from like 6 months ago.
Okay, so here's an idea that just popped into my head. You can tell me if this sucks. People in chat can tell me if
This
it sucks.
sucks. Oh, I'm sorry.
So you know how like, oh my god, hold up, let me look up what country it's from. It's like the cat with like the gold coin.
Hmm?
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
It is Japanese.
Yeah.
Take a look at my screen. This guy.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah. What if the coins that he holds onto are the currency and he's like a shopkeep or some shit?
Oh, that could be actually kind of cool.
Yeah. Just like a random idea. You don't have to keep my screen on. You don't have to keep looking at my screen.
Yeah. I will stop looking at your screen.
Yeah, you know.
Maybe. Or we could have them. We could still have a funny Mexican cat as the shopkeeper. Then have like that as like a vending machine or something. Like a that one gives you like a random item or something.
Yeah.
Because it's
like
good to have like
Cat from
different.
Balatro.
Yeah, it's good to have like different things that give you different items rather than just like, oh, there's a shop and that's it. That would be a good like. It's like I'm trying to think. I'm really good at English. I got this.
Yep. Yeah.
It could be like something that spawns at the end of the room.
Okay.
Like there's like a small chance for it to like pop up at the end of the room, and then you could use it as like a vending machine. It's like a loot box. So you like give it 5 coins, and it gives you a random item.
Okay. Maybe.
I'm going right
I'm trying to think of like what would even be like a cat themed currency other than that, because like I don't think I've ever bought anything for my cat, and I've thought, man, this looks like a coin. So
True. Oh, it doesn't have to look like a
not
coin.
really-
It'd just be like something that you can use for currency.
yeah. I don't know.
That's what I was thinking, like fish scales or like fish bones. I don't know.
Northern Lion's bald ass head would fit so well in Dante's
real.
mind.
It will happen. It will happen.
He will 100%.
He will
this
play
game for
Dante
sure.
9.
Mm-hmm. He will.
I do want to have gambling in this game. I think
Sorry.
we want to have gambling, but not like gambling themed gambling, you know?
What the
Because like
fuck
that's
does that mean?
where the like rating issues happen, is like if your game has like things that look like gambling. But if it like has actual gambling but it doesn't look like gambling, then it's fine. At least like that's
What does that mean,
what
Cody Riot?
So like if it has like poker or like slot machines, that like looks like gambling, like because that's like a form of gambling in real life.
Yeah, but,
if
like,
you
loot
have like
boxes
a
are not
loot
gambling,
box,
you
like
know?
that's not real gambling. Because the people that like make all the regulations like don't know what the heck a loot box is. You know what I'm saying? What am I looking
Yeah.
at on your screen? What is this?
I'm
Pull this
Triangulation
up.
is failing currently.
What is that?
I'm trying to draw a trail, and triangulation's not working.
His triangles are not triangulating.
Holy shit! This is really this is what you see when you stream. I'm looking at your screen right now.
What? Huh?
I'm looking over at Discord at your screen.
Oh yeah,
right now. That's
yeah.
crazy. You just have like
Yeah,
the two
yeah.
chats on the left.
Yeah,
It's insane.
I do.
The ultra wide setup goes crazy.
You mean the one chat because the other one doesn't have a single message in it?
I'll send a message in the Twitch chat.
Oh, okay, you're so nice.
Yeah.
Yes, I do indeed want to add loot boxes to Dante 9. Okay, I'm gonna keep scrolling in and out on this pixel art thing instead of actually like drawing anything.
Sounds about right.
Do you think the link card should be like chains or something, or should it be what should it be? What should it be? For the link card, for like linking to, or sorry, link sticker.
Oh, so the thing that was suggested last night by Nasitos was if it was like two halves of something.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Which would be cool. Like a friendship necklace or something like that.
Yeah.
Is like kind of dope. Okay. So this was like the exact opposite of what I want, I think. So I guess
it could be like a cable, like a link cable.
Ah, shit. Like a link cable? You don't even know what a link cable is. You never played on a Game Boy?
Oh, I didn't even mean like literal link cable. That's just like what my brain said.
Okay. Cool.
Now that you say link cable, I know what a link cable is, but like, you know what I meant. But that could be cool.
If it's not
two halves of something, or even
matter though.
Wait, if it's not actual. Huh?
I mean, that is a bit on the nose. Do you mean like gambling wise? I'm assuming, or do you mean like the currency type?
Yeah,
Might
well,
be missing the context on that one. I don't know if that comment was about the gambling not being currency
I don't know if that
based.
was about gambling or not.
Also, Moaz, if you didn't hear the link sticker idea was something that we were kind of brainstorming with Nasitos last night in VC. Was you put one half of the sticker on one card and then you put the other half of the sticker on another card, and whenever you use either of the cards, it will trigger an attack from the other, like the linked card, probably without consuming ammo on the linked card, so that you can get kind of like super powerful attacks.
Yeah, that could be cool. Because if you link like a weak card with a lot of charges to like a powerful charge with powerful card with few charges, yeah. And
I was thinking for that there could be like a little bit of a drawback to it, where it's like it doesn't do 100% of the damage of the original card.
Maybe
it's like a slightly weaker version for the cost of like not using ammo.
You think Jimmy should be on stream? Yeah, he'll be on stream when we have our company game night on Saturday.
Company game night?
Yeah.
Sure.
I have free pizza for everybody. So you get, instead of being paid.
That's like fucked up. It's not rendering.
But on the gambling stuff,
dude, I don't know
so it doesn't really actually matter
if
if it's based around actual money. Because, for example, like Balatro and...
Okay, I'm going to tone this down a little bit. I'm going to just draw one single polygon, I think.
True. But I think Balatro and what was the other one? I think Luck Be a Landlord also has like
if I can get this to work
in the game.
by like... I was going to say 9,
Wait,
but it's almost 9 now. I'll say if I don't get this to work by like 9:15, I'll swap over to just doing the sticker stuff.
Okay. But I think Luck Be a Landlord and Balatro both have like, so Balatro's obviously like poker, Luck Be a Landlord I think has like slots in some way, but like it's not related to actual money at all, and both of those got like super high ratings and got like banned off of some storefronts. Whereas games with like actual loot boxes that cost actual money that are actual gambling just don't have any problem. So that's kind of what I was trying to say. Draw a little chain
right now, by the way,
between the... Yes, I am talking. Can you not hear me?
Oh no.
Can you not hear me?
Is it a Discord issue? I cannot hear you now. Is it a me issue?
Oh
no. Hold on. Okay, can you hear me? Or can you talk now?
Yeah, I'm talking. Hello?
Okay, yeah, sorry. It was a me
Okay.
issue. I don't know. My audio interface just like
Okay,
died
can
for a
everybody
second.
hear me? Am I talking?
Yeah, you're fine. It was a
Okay.
me issue. 100% a me issue.
All right. I was like, 'cause
I've never had that happen.
I
My
kept
audio just
saying things, then
fucking
you just kept
died.
interrupting me when I was like halfway through a
Oh,
sentence, and I was like,
sorry. Sorry.
broken
Yeah, no, I looked
audio.
over at chat and I was like, damn, JW's ignoring them right now.
Wow. Okay. But
What
yeah,
did you say though?
what
Did
I
you
was
say something
saying
to
was
me?
that like I was talking about the gambling stuff in terms of ratings. So like for example, Balatro has like poker stuff, Luck Be a Landlord has like slot machines, but both those are like not actual gambling at all. They're just like themed around actual gambling. But games with like actual loot boxes that cost actual money don't get super high ratings.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little crazy. Which is why maybe I'll have like I thought about maybe having like a casino level, but I don't know if that's like I wouldn't be too worried about it, but like that's just something to be aware of.
Oh, shit. Sorry. I just saw something really cool. There's a firefly outside.
There's a
Which is dope
firefly.
as fuck. There's a firefly.
You would not
outside.
believe your eyes.
I would.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Jimmy just be spamming stream announcements in my server, don't he? I guess he's allowed to do that since he's the official community manager. Okay, I should
Is
like
he the
draw
official
something.
community manager?
I don't know, man.
You should like make a decision on who the official community manager is. What the fuck?
Well, my brother's like
sorry.
I think whatever it says in his bio. I think he's the lead marketing coordinator.
That's crazy.
I don't remember what his official title is. It's not even official title. He literally just added it to his Discord bio and was like, "This is my title
Oh.
The colored shapes, these are stickers. So
oh my god.
yes.
I know why this isn't working. I reversed the fucking array.
Oh,
And I didn't mean to.
that's awkward.
I reversed the array when I was testing something. Does this work now? I'm gonna get so pissed if this works now.
But the shapes are stickers. What I'm thinking is each color will be a different ability, and then each shape will be like an upgrade. So like this will be the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. I don't know if you can like upgrade them directly, but you'll be able to find like more powerful ones the farther you get. And I'm probably gonna adjust the textures of them a little bit so that way they're not like identical texture-wise. So that way, if you have like trouble seeing colors, you're not like, oh, what color is this one? I can't tell because they all look the same. But yeah, that's what those are. And then I'm trying to think of I mean, here I can draw the invisible sticker right here. There we go. It's beautiful. Do you like my invisible sticker?
Whoa.
Yeah. What I was thinking for the invisible sticker is like some kind of very transparent white sticker, and maybe have like some kind of what?
What's the invisible sticker? Sorry.
It makes it so it doesn't take up room in your hand, so you can have a higher max.
I thought we were
hand
doing
size.
negative for that.
Oh, were we? I don't remember.
I thought we were doing negative, and that the sticker was going to apply a shader to the card below it and flip the colors of the card art.
That works too, I guess. Trying to think what kind of sticker that should be.
Yeah, at least that's what we said.
Yeah, I remember that now.
Yeah, we said that last night when we were talking Nacitos, that it would be a sticker.
That would definitely look cooler though than just like a
yeah, because you could place
sticker.
it anywhere and you could flip a specific part of the. That would honestly look really fucking cool. I might try coding that shader tonight.
Yeah, you should do that. That'd be fun. What should it just be like a blob? What should it be like?
I mean, it should just be like a shape with like sort of an outline of what the stickers should look like. I think.
Blob.
But I don't know what exactly we want that to be. You know.
Not gonna lie, I got a pretty good blob shape here.
Wow. Whoa.
Like, you gotta admit, this is a, like, 10 out of 10 blob.
It's a pretty good blob, yeah.
Well, there we go. We got our
It's
invisible
okay, blob.
sticker, or whatever, negative sticker.
Yeah. Yeah.
What else did we have? Oh, eternal sticker.
What
would be good for that?
Eternal?
Yeah. That would be for, if, that depends on how we want to do the card resetting stuff. But, like, it doesn't
Yeah.
reset.
So what's the idea for Eternal? Is that the one that, like, you can add that to a card so it doesn't fully lose its charges and you don't have to fully, like, reset it?
Yes, it never, like, exhausts using Slay the Spire terms.
Couple things come to mind. I'll just toss these out there. You don't have to do any of them. Just whatever sounds cool.
Yeah, it's all good.
Like a cat skull, because I'm thinking like Eternal. That sounds kind of... It feels a little bad because then it sounds like death. Could be like angel wings. It could be like a lock and key. It could be like some sort of like pin, so that it's like, you know, pinned to a certain amount. I really don't know. But just a couple ideas that, like...
Yeah, I like the cat skull. That could be good for, like, another thing, like a different card.
Yeah,
Let me just write down some of those.
Skull could be, like, a cool one.
Because, like, I don't
know what we would use that for.
Yeah, I can write down sticker ideas in terms of what the card sticker looks like as well, instead of what it does. What was the other one you said? Like, lock? Like a lock?
Like a lock and key, like angel wings, cat skull... Like a pin, like a thumbtack, kind of safety pin.
Pin could be good for like a card that like always draws or something at a certain time.
Yeah, like you always start a room with it or a floor with it or whatever, if it's available.
Yeah, like that one. I don't know how to spell. Whatever. Autocorrect save me. Thank you. What would a pin sticker look like, though? Let me pull up my references. What does a pin look like? I definitely don't know what a pin looks like.
God, I love the Night in the Woods soundtrack. This shit is banging. So good. If you guys haven't played Night in the Woods, you totally should.
Oh, Jimmy, yes, I can read your chat. Ghost sticker. Whoa, spooky ghost. Are you saying for the negative or for like a regular sticker? Let's see, what does a pin look like? Sorry, it's hard to read chat because I have to like have it funky. I guess I have it on this. I keep reading it on my other screen because that's where I can see it better because I have like my YouTube thing. I don't know, it's confusing. For the negative, because ghosts aren't physical objects. That's a maybe. I can try something like that. Or a little pin. I'm struggling to draw today. Let's start with something circular. Pentagram, maybe. Perchance. We need a Dr. Pepper can, definitely. Dr. Pepper sticker.
You're terrible. Also,
Yeah.
sorry, I'm eating a protein bar right now.
That's okay. You have my permission to eat a protein bar right now.
Well, now I'm done eating it.
Oh, okay. Congratulations.
Thanks.
It's a really terrible pin, but we're just like... We're trying. It's way too tall.
Way too tall.
What does a pin look like? Help.
It kind of looks... Yours kind of looks like a drumstick a little bit.
Yeah, it does.
I guess now it looks kind of like a lollipop or some shit, but...
Hold up. I'm struggling.
That's fine. You don't have to draw this one. You can just give up.
No, I want to draw
No one
this
will
one.
judge you.
This is a cylinder with a pointy bit at the end.
Technically, yeah. It looks like a fucking turkey baster right now.
Thank you.
Yeah, it looks like a turkey baster.
Oh, so it's got like the...
It's got like a hat, like a rim around it.
Yeah, but it's also got like a rim at the bottom too. It's got like
Rim
a
at the
double
Moaz?
rim.
What the hell? Sorry.
We're so
Sorry.
silly. I dislike you all.
Yeah, it happens. I'm okay with that. I can live with that, Moaz. Okay, does this work? Oh, I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid, stupid, stupid.
True.
Moaz, what is your...
1 point perspective.
You're never gonna play You're never gonna play Dodo with me again? Let's go! Let's fucking go! Oh, that's amazing. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
1 point perspective.
I'm free. It's the image of the fucking, like, the shrimp with, like, the handcuffs being broken. I'm free. What was I gonna say?
Bro thinks I knows how to do
shit
perspective.
Bro thinks I knows how to do perspective. That's crazy.
Oh, wait, how is 1 point perspective supposed to help me? I'm confused. I don't know how to draw, man.
Yeah.
That's a bold assumption.
Fuck. Triangulation failed? What do you mean?
If you just make it like vertical rather than try to make it like diagonal, maybe that'll work better. This is like genuinely abysmal drawing skills right now. Sorry. This one should be up one.
Yeah, you're getting decently close to a pin.
Thank you, Moaz.
It's like a macaron. I can kind of see that, yeah. It looks a little bit like a yo-yo.
What if you give it the little pin at the bottom? Oh, that's not centered. Oh, that's awkward.
Oh, wow.
All better.
Artist motherfuckers be like, not centered, just multiply everything by 1.5.
True.
Scale that motherfucker up.
Scale it by 4. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
Did I ask Moaz what his favorite Night in the Woods song was, by the way?
Moaz, what's your favorite Night in the Woods song?
Moaz, what's your favorite Night in the Woods song?
Fixing what? What are we fixing? Oh, the scaling by 4?
Oh, no, we're not fixing the scale
No,
by
we're
4.
not fixing that.
Strange Autumn? Really?
Why would we fix scaling by 4? That's literally like the main mechanic of Dante's 9.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the #1 feature that everybody loves.
Hmm. What the fuck?
Outline you. That doesn't look like
Weird
a pin,
Autumn.
does it? Scale by 4 with deck builder and roguelite element mechanics.
+2.
Very true. This doesn't look like a pin, does it?
Not really, no.
Grr.
The pin, I think, is for a card that whenever you put the sticker on it, it will be always drawn to your hand. Either when you start a room or when you start a floor. We don't know which one yet.
What he said.
But like in Slay the Spire, how you can like enhance a card so it always draws into your hand at the start of each battle. Kind of that. Yeah, an 8. That one. I should play more Slay the Spire.
I should play the. You wanna do a Slay the Spire stream instead of doing game dev?
Dude, I totally don't want to do that.
Okay.
Thanks for the suggestion, though. That's dope.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Sorry. Should do a Dota stream? That is possibly, and I don't mean this in like a terrible way, that might be like the worst thing you've ever said to me. So like, thanks for the suggestion. I'm gonna read your chat message out. Don't ever suggest it again, or else you will be met with punishment. Thanks though.
Wow. Jolliest chat interaction on this stream.
Yeah.
Gonna try a diagonal.
The world can see your incredible Grimstroke gameplay. They can see you disconnect from a Dota game. That's what they would see.
True.
Okay, so this failed because... Oh, okay, we got some news here. I don't... What the fuck do you mean?
My beautiful pin. I genuinely don't know why I suck at drawing tonight. Wait, no, we did that wrong. There we go. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Maybe we make it a little bit bigger. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe it's too small. Yeah, let's like not just scale it like that. It's not gonna help. Yeah, that one's definitely better up there. What multiplayer stream? Oh,
Hell.
Hull? What's HOL? Oh, HOI. Oh, Hearts of Iron. You need to be killed. You need to be killed. Lee literally doesn't play anything else besides Hearts of Iron. And it shows. This guy is addicted to Hearts of Iron. I think if we make the pin larger, it'll look good. Trust me. They hated me because I spoke. You do not speak the truth. You speak like lies, and you need to be killed.
Oh! Fuck. Sorry.
Are you okay?
I had a revelation, and I had root beer in my mouth whenever I had the revelation, so I fucking inhaled the root beer.
Oh, that's
holy
not
shit!
fun.
Holy shit! I got it.
You got it?
I've got it.
Oh, do you
Oh
got
my
it?
god. I might. There's like something. There's something going like ticking in my brain.
Okay, okay.
Holy shit, dude! He's getting it. He is getting it. Well, no. No.
No.
Mm-mm.
No.
What the fuck is an ordinal? What does ordinal mean?
Why are you asking me? Like I would
What
know.
is ordinal? Oh, as you're like a nerd. What does ordinal mean? Is that like that's a number that references something, right? Like something is ordinal 4 or some shit.
Moaz, it
Numbers,
definitely
yeah.
know.
What is ordinal? I want to know exactly. Ordinal number. Okay. Position in a series such as first, second, or third. Holy shit. That's like actually goated. Yeah, order 4. Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay. That's not the correct name for this variable then.
There we go. Chat, is this pin better? I think this one's a little bit better than the other one. Just a little bit.
Jack, you say yes so he feels good about himself. His self-esteem needs it.
Sorry.
Actually looks pretty decent. You have a good one, Moaz. I'll send you the money on PayPal later. Just kidding. I would never pay to make you feel good.
I hate this place, man.
Yeah. It happens.
You know it's bad when your programmer hates you.
Oh, I went to do the dot product of a vector and I typed in dot dota instead of dot dot.
I think you might need to be killed.
Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch.
It's not off center.
It's off center as fuck. What do you mean is it off center? Am I insane? It's off center as fuck, brother.
It's not off center. Yeah, it's off center.
It's not off center, head ass. Yeah, okay, man. Sorry, I'm listening to. Fuck, is this Cycles? What is this? Batter Up on the Night in the Woods soundtrack. Fucking love Night in the Woods.
Does this actually look like a pin now?
Maybe. It kind of does.
I'll add some like little highlights to it.
Can you rotate it 45 degrees? Just because I want to see what that would look like if you like destroy the polygon. Okay, sure.
Oh,
fine.
you mean if I just destroy it like
Yeah. Honestly,
yeah,
not
terrible.
the worst thing in the world. You could clean that up and like that could kind of maybe be it.
Wait, you're saying it should be rotated?
I usually see things pinned with a rotation, yeah.
Oh, huh.
You can type in the rotation at the top, so it's like directly 45. Or I think you
I'm
can
holding shift, yeah,
hold
so it's directly 45.
Shift snap it?
Yeah, like 45.
Oh, okay.
It says 45.
Why is it doing that weird fucking like...
I don't know!
Is it because you're tapping shift? Okay,
No.
my fault. Sorry, man. No, you're so right, dude. My fault. Anyone want to replace me as the programmer for Dante's 9? The only requirement is you have to put up with this bullshit. So,
Hey!
good luck.
What did I do?
You don't need to be a good coder. You just have to be as... Never mind. I won't say it. I won't say it.
You're mean.
I won't say it.
I don't know. I think it looks better like this. Because like if it's on the card, it's gonna be like pinned like this. Like let me see if we pull up our cards. This is up here like this. Like it's gonna. It looks like a pin in the card when it's like this. Kind of.
Wow.
Let's see how it would look if we rotated it. I guess that wouldn't look terrible either, but like...
It is missing the black outline, but it's whatever.
Oh, I forgot about the black outline, yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Except
They
it's
don't
not
have to
fun.
have black outline.
Yeah, they
but-
do actually. 'Cause I
Okay.
want to keep them consistent.
Well, then... Never mind.
What were you gonna say this time?
I wasn't going to say shit. Don't worry about it.
I'm not sure. Okay.
So,
Don't
if
have
I want to
anything nice to
triangulate
say,
this,
then don't say anything.
it's going to go... Oh god, hold on. We're doing something crazy.
Oh.
Oh, I'm doing matrix transformations in my fucking brain right now. Yes.
Evil
so we're hitting
Northern
right
Lion
side the
be
next
like,
one.
I'm
Right side next
rotating
one,
matrix transformations in my head.
Fuck, what order does this go? This is clockwise.
There you go, that looks a lot better.
So we start with... Oh god, dude. Okay, so right side of current one. Holy shit. Dude, I'm no, you don't understand. I'm rotating indices for triangulation in my head. I'm writing a triangulation algorithm in my brain right now, and it's insane.
Smart Northern Lion be like...
Hold on. I'm gonna draw a fucking thing for me for my own reference. So if I go here to here and then to here, so that's my sides. Let me go from here to here to here.
I like probably learned how to do matrix transformations, but I'm
one.
too smart or too stupid to remember.
So then we want to flip this. So now we go right side of this one, right side plus one, left side plus one, side. Oh no, wait, shit, that's not right. Is it right?
I don't know. Does it look better with or without the like outline on the?
Wait, hold on. I don't know. Sorry, I've got mental stack right now.
That's okay. No, I was talking to chat, not you. Why would I talk to you? I think this should have that down there like that. Yeah, that's gonna look better. Actually, will it? Yeah, I'll look with this here. I don't know. You can grab both of them side by side and see which one you like better. Oh, does the avatar have a little thing when he's muted? Is he muted?
Okay, yeah, sorry. I am muted.
Well, okay. Well, Moaz was just saying it has a cool little thing when it's muted. Crazy.
Oh, sorry, what'd you say? That's cool, the avatar. Yeah. Sorry, I had to speak to myself and I didn't want to, like, kill your chat with my ramblings of a rendering expert.
Crazy. So, which one of these pins do we like better, left or right?
What?
I have 2 pins on screen. I'm asking which one do we like better?
I have my opinion formed. Are there differences, actually?
Yes.
Wait, no. There is, but... Yeah, the left looks sharper. I thought there was something else different. What else did you change? Is it just the point at the bottom?
Yeah, it's just the point.
That's really weird. The one on the right feels like it's a lot more like... The one on the left is named Kiki, and the one on the right is named Booba. And I don't know how else to describe it, but like that's what it means.
Okay, fair enough.
Anyone +2 that in chat, please? Anyone
Yeah,
else feel me
I'll
on that
give
one?
you a +2.
He said true. Yeah, okay, I got it. I still got it.
Let's go. Moaz is literally the only one talking in chat. That's actually so lame.
I fucking hate Moaz. I'm just kidding.
Wow, okay.
Moaz.
Okay, that was a little
How's it going,
excessive.
Moaz?
Don't be mean to our
Moaz?
only chatter.
To our only friend.
Yeah.
Well, I have to. He's like
Everybody else is
always playing
lame.
Dota and shit.
Okay, well I guess we'll go with the left one. I'm leaving the old pin because it looks terrible. I think the solution, yeah, was to just make it bigger. I forgot the stickers need to also be like a large enough size that you can actually see them on the card. Here's how it'd look if you like had it on a card. Like wow pin.
Would I prefer you leave chat? No,
No.
you can hang out. It's fine, man. You're like totally fine to hang out and talk to us for a little bit. Shouldn't you be in bed though? Just curious.
You probably should.
Probably should. That's fine, I guess.
So Jimmy had the idea of the negative one being like a ghost, kind of. So you could even make it be like a ghost shape with the negative color.
Okay, yeah. I think that works. It really, I will say, it doesn't matter what shape you end up making it.
Yeah.
Because like the shader can just be masked if we need to.
Yeah, I think it should still have the outline if that's possible.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
What? Huh? Something's weird. Something's real weird. You absolutely should, but your cousin's playing League in your room. Yeah, that's
Crazy.
weird, but pop off. In your room? Is the family computer in your room?
Are you playing League? Or why is he playing League? Of all things. He'd be playing like Dante's 9 playtest 2.
That's true. That is... Yep.
Should also look, because some of my old like pixel art things that I've done could even be used as stickers. I don't remember what I drew a while ago. Let me look. I know I had some somewhere. Let's see what we got in here. My file system is such a mess.
Oh shit, this actually needs to be in process. That's so fucking unfortunate.
Oh, it
Whatever.
does? Are you processing it?
Yeah, I'm processing it. I really don't like putting things in process if I can
Yeah.
avoid it.
That makes sense.
because the tween moves based on visual frame rate.
Ah.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't expect it to be offset like that. I won't lie.
It is a pin sticker. That's what I have here. I'm just looking through some of my old files, see if I can find any pixel art that I could use. I think the only one possibly that I could use is I have this skull here. That's kind of cool. That could possibly make a cool sticker. I had to scale it down a little bit.
What was that for?
That was like a pixel art. Practice.
That was just one of the ones you uploaded onto YouTube. Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
Also, isn't... Oh, he changed his username from Nethermob to Jimmy Aquaman.
Did he?
I was confused for the longest time because I didn't realize that was Jimmy until you said...
Oh, yeah.
Jimmy said this in chat, and I was like, oh shit, you're so right. I guess that is Jimmy.
Yeah, that used to be his like old username for literally everything.
Fair enough. Oh, dude.
Cool.
Oh, JW, I'm gonna make you feel fucking terrible.
What did I do?
Jimmy and Joe are playing Apex right now without us.
Oh, I don't care.
You don't care?
Nah.
Okay, I want to go play Apex with them then.
No.
Remember how I said I was going to be like done with this line rendering if I didn't have it done by 9:15 and then it's 9:30 now?
Yeah, well, you lied.
That's crazy. Well, I did end up fixing the issue. So,
okay.
Just saying, I did matrix multiply in my fucking brain and I downstacked and I got a kill in Tetris 99, which is kind of dope. So, yeah, you know, kind of a big deal is all I got to say.
No, don't join him. Don't join him, please. Please.
Ooh, I'm gonna join you.
No, don't do it. How do you want the negative sticker, like, exported?
Hmm?
Like, how should I draw it?
Anything's fine, honestly. It doesn't really matter.
I mean, in
terms I can
of like
mask myself if I need to.
Okay.
Yeah, I can, because all it needs to be is the place that it wants to apply the negative to would just have to be like, I think I would say white, and then the part that doesn't is everything else is just black or like transparent or anything like that.
Although,
you can kind of decide.
How would you do that if we want to have a white outline?
No, so the mask is a separate image.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, the mask is completely separate. The sticker itself is a texture, and then we would have a separate either image or part of the sprite that would be the mask, and then that mask is what gets passed into the shader, and I just query whether or not the color that's currently sampled is white, and if it is, I apply the shader, and if it's not, then I don't.
Okay, well here, I'll just give you this,
He has no fucking clue what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
He has no idea what I just said.
What did you say?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm... Yeah.
I'll go ahead and send you the... Ooh. There we go.
Ooh.
I flashbanged myself, sorry.
I wonder how that's going to work with the sub viewport. I'm sure it'll work fine. It's just going to be very interesting to see. Because I've never stacked shaders. Dude, the card is going to have so many fucking shaders tossed onto it, which is fine.
Hopefully that...
You're like duplicating something extra, I think. Yeah.
Me?
Yeah, there's like some white shit above it. Do you see that?
Oh.
You like moved the fire centers out.
Oh, I see. Because I want to do this, and then wand, and then do intersection. And then there we go.
That's crazy. You didn't just click the wand and then make it contiguous and then select the inside.
Oh, I guess I could do that too.
Yeah, bump off queen.
There we go. Look at that. I'm goated.
Is equal to get current as node to D. Get that white spray, girl.
I'm gonna, I don't know. No, I'm not
It's
gonna
actually
do
funny that
anything.
you, I don't know, something about the way that you said that is really funny because whenever I take my cat outside, she likes to roll around on the concrete, but she gets really shy. So instead of like actually rolling around on the concrete, she'll like start the roll and then she'll immediately stand back up because she's like, oh, like I don't want to be doing that. That's like whatever. So like I encourage her by like petting her and going, get it, girl, get it, girl. And that seems to actually help her, which is funny. If I don't do it, she has a 0% chance of staying down on the concrete. But if I do say that, there's like a 25% chance that she will stay on the concrete and roll around for a little bit. So I think she likes it whenever I encourage her like that.
Here, I can send you those stickers that I just made.
The stickers you just made?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Sure,
the
dog.
sticker and the blob.
Oh yeah, dope stickers.
Let me see. Where did
Am
I
I
save
applying the cat
this?
strategy to work on JW? I mean, what was the fucking game that we played with Moaz? Was it
Portal
Speed Rock,
2.
or was there something else? Yeah, Portal 2. Whenever you were playing Portal 2 with JW, you would hit him with the pss, 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 and then like that sometimes would work.
It didn't work. It didn't work.
All right,
It does
dog,
not
for
work on
sure.
me.
No, yeah.
I promise.
believe that.
It doesn't.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You say so. I'm changing the starting scene. I'm not launching from the main menu anymore. This is pissing me off.
There you go. There's your sprays.
Where is it
No, we
is
should not play more
options?
Portal 2. You should hop on
You
Apex.
totally should. You want to play Apex with Moaz?
Yes, it would be really funny.
Moaz is gonna be like, oh boy, I can't wait to play with 500 ping.
Yes.
17. Never mind. No.
Oh wait, actually I messed up the outline. It should be
What did you say?
Huh? I said I messed up the
Oh,
outline.
I'm not talking because you silently challenged
you're
me to
talking
draw a
to him.
pen. Who challenged you to draw?
I
a
did
pen?
not challenge you to draw a pin. When did I do that? Maybe I did.
Stop
I don't
in
know.
the chat. What do you mean, dog? You're keeping us entertained while we're working on shit.
Yeah, that's literally your
chat as you need
job.
to.
That's literally your job. I should make you a mod so that way you can like. Nah, that's a terrible idea. Never mind.
You think making Moaz a mod is a terrible idea?
Yeah.
Holy shit. That's crazy.
Yeah. I'm joking.
I think making Moaz a mod is a great idea.
Okay, here's the outline.
Oh, do you want to be a mod? Wait, am I a mod in your chat?
I don't know. I don't know how to
Whatever.
make you a mod.
I don't either. I don't know how YouTube streams work. That's the only fucking... It's actually crazy how much more I've streamed on YouTube, and I have no clue how to do things in the chat. Whereas, like, with Twitch, I'm just like, oh, yeah, dude. I know the commands.
Okay, yeah, I can just click on a
Slash
person
marker.
and add them as a moderator.
Okay. Slash marker bizarre one or some shit, you know? Plus 2 type shit.
Plus
print,
two,
parent
sorry.
Scale. What size is the
Okay, we
parent?
got a
Are you
couple
not-
stickers.
Are you scaled by one still? Oh my god, I'm gonna like cry. Why are you?
You
scaled
could
by one?
moderate
You shouldn't
streams that
be.
last till 6 a.m. Like, come on. I don't see why you couldn't do that. Okay. What other stickers did we have? Do we have any other ones? Oh, yes, their eternal sticker. Whatever, I'm not gonna bother with that. I want to get try the other thing. So what I want to do is separate this piece. Actually, wait, this is a separate layer in here, right? Isn't it? Yes? Somewhere? Yeah. That is a separate layer.
What the fuck? Why is this?
So now I just have to go
Huh?
through here and export all these separately. Then... Where did it go?
Fuck?
Did I accidentally
Huh?
kill it?
Yeah, I think so.
There we go. There we go. That's what we wanted.
God, I love Night in the Woods music so much. It's so good. Who the fuck is scaled by like a small amount? Why are you small? Moaz. Sorry. sorry, Moaz. Non-target killed.
You're flipping through the keyframes synced up with the music? No, I'm not.
He has no idea what you're talking about. He doesn't pay attention to his music.
Yeah, I really don't. I hate music.
How is this being scaled? Anyone know?
What is
Anyone know
being
how
scaled?
I wrote this code?
Wait, which one?
It's just some random shit I wrote. I don't know. I don't know.
So I think I made
working.
the card is scaled by 3.
This guy. So why is this guy so small? Where's this from?
That is that when he spawns?
Yeah. I have no idea where this is.
That is in.
It might be a card.
It took me so long to find. Yeah, I think it might be in there. It took me forever to find it. That's where it is.
It's not. Nope.
Is that not it?
This is setting it to 1. There's something else that's doing it, and I have no idea what part of this.
There was 2 places that set it to 3 that I had to set back to 1.
Does it get set to 3?
I set it to 3. The card is set to 3 in local. You go to local.
No, but I'm looking at like because you might
like the sprite, like the base
so
card.
people know what we're talking about.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
So like as just like a little bit of thing. So whenever the card spawns in, you'll see that I'll put this in frame by frame mode. So it spawns in and it's really fucking tiny.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to figure out where that scale is. Like what's setting it to super tiny scale.
Oh, it's setting it to like 0.1 or something. I don't remember where it is. It's somewhere
Who
in
is
there.
set to 0.1?
It's in one of the tweens. It's
Is
like
it the
when
card?
it spawns.
Is it the sub
It's the
card
card
menu?
It's the card is set to like really small. In
Promise?
Yes, it's when it spawned. So it's in. Is it in the? It might be in the card draw handler. I think.
Didn't explain to me why this is scale 1.
Wait. Well then.
Explain it.
I don't know. I thought it was set to be like really small.
It's not the viewport, right? It's not like the actual. This guy's set to 3.
Yes, that's what it should be.
If I were to like period through, it's large now. But like, what changed? Because now all these are still the same values. Am I like losing my mind?
Yeah, I think you are.
I'm just gonna print things. I'm just gonna start printing things.
Okay.
We're pulling
can
out the
look too.
small guns.
When someone draws something difficult, I have to draw it too. Are you implying that that pin was difficult for me to draw? I mean, it was, but like, I don't know, man.
It's scaled by 4, I think. You actually would be wrong, by the way, Moaz. It is not, in fact, scaled by 4. Hold on. Okay, no, we're good. I was about to crash out. Oh, wait, no, I am about to crash out.
Why?
Oh my god, I'm about to crash out.
Why?
Hold on. Hold on.
I think it's in...
I think I just discovered a Godot feature nobody knows. Can you look at my screen real quick? Can you pull this up on screen so I can show the people?
Yes.
So do you remember the code that I wrote so that I could drag a node over into a field and it would push it into an array?
Nope, I didn't know you did that.
So I'll show you really
Oh wait,
really
you did that
quickly.
for the Bezier curve, right?
Yeah, so this
Yeah,
guy. So
yeah.
there's this field where I can like drop a node into it. And it'll assign it to this array. Fun little fact, I did not need to do that because Godot automatically supports that.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
I didn't know that. Had no idea.
Okay, but that's not related to the scaling thing. Okay, cool.
No, it's not. But it's just like a thing that I didn't know that was a thing, and nobody thought to tell me that was a thing. I kind of wish there was a way to like bulk add elements to an array, though. That'd be kind of cool. Whatever.
Trying to see.
Whatever.
There was. Where's that card?
What is correct outline? Sorry, you sent me a message a bit ago that just says
What?
correct outline.
So there's the outline up above for the.
Oh, it doesn't have like the black and white outline. It's just the white outline.
Wait, what? Oh, I guess it
that
probably
what it
should
is?
have the black and white outline. It was just a white
okay,
outline.
never mind.
I'll fix it again. I suck.
Cool. I was like, oh yeah, it's probably this thing. No, it wasn't, but now that's also a thing.
Yeah,
Are
exactly.
you coding right now? What
No,
the
I'm
hell?
trying to figure out where it might be scaling it, because I did change that recently, and I don't remember. You know, if I look at what I changed last time, actually, that might help. The fixed font stuff.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I don't know where this is happening, and that's okay. I don't exactly need to. I would just really like to know.
Radio card picker. Let's see.
Radio
here.
card pickle.
Radio card pickle. Add card. Add card? No. On
Yeah,
card
for some reason
added.
in my mind. I actually have
On
no
card
idea where
added
this goes.
visual.scale is equal to vector 2.0.
Okay.
So it's setting that to 0 here. I don't know why it's setting the scale to 0. But then that still wouldn't exactly explain.
Yeah, so there's like a tween thing going on there. I think
Yeah.
the problem that I'm having with it is I'm never seeing it
So
as
let me see if I
anything
run it
other than
here.
a 1x1 scale.
Is it small for me too? I think it is. That's what will it look exactly the same as it does for you? Yeah, it's exactly the same.
Yes.
I thought that was just how you had it before, but I guess it's not.
Well, it's fine for it to do that.
Oh,
The
okay.
problem is none of my code is picking it up as small. All of my code thinks it is at a scale of 1x1.
Let me see if I. Oh wait, that
I
wouldn't
don't-
change anything, would it?
I don't
What
know
was this
why.
originally? Let me see.
I'm just gonna add every node in the damn scene, I think, to this array. I'm just gonna bucket everyone in. Everyone's in. We're all checking your scales. Someone's gonna be set to something. Someone's gonna be set to something I don't expect, and I need to know. Fuck it, dude. All of
Wait a
you.
second. Wait a second. Wait a second.
Second. Did you just multiply a vector 2.0 by 2?
No, I didn't do that. I was looking at the wrong thing. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't. No, that didn't happen.
That's crazy. That is insane.
It wasn't me.
Okay. I'm going to a difference checker website, and I'm putting the output of this print blob into the website, and I'm going to check it against the output of this print blob.
Okay, that's.
They are identical. Dope. Oh, wait, is the card still small? Oh, yeah, it was still small. Weird.
Where else did I change stuff? Card draw handler.
There are literally no changes. Okay, What was
I
the
will
issue?
find
No clue.
it.
No, don't worry about it. I can figure it out.
No,
If you've
I
got
will
other work to
find
be
it.
doing,
I want to find it.
please go do your
No,
other
I
work.
wanna find
I don't
it.
want you working on this.
Oh, okay, he hates me.
Yeah, true. Actually, so real.
Grrr. Oh wait, did I,
I
just
don't
remove that
understand.
one? Where was that one? 106. Oh, it's not there. Well, let's see if we make this one 2-2. Does that make a difference?
2-2.
I'm just
Ooh.
Oh, you had to go for a little bit. You're too lazy to rewind the stream. What's the issue? I'm not telling you.
I'll translate that for you, Moaz. We don't know.
Yeah, that too. But like, I think that was it. No, let me put it to frame advance. Those are larger now, right? No.
Yes, those are much larger. Are you talking about the small guys or the big guys?
Yeah, the small guys. But now they get even bigger.
Oh, I have no fucking clue. I don't know in what world.
Make these like really big. Where was it? I'm just trying to.
There's an inbuilt inspector that I can use.
I'm just trying to see.
The card backs are a angry cat or like a cat face, you know?
Yeah, I need to redraw it so it looks good. I mean, they look great now, but like that could make them look like.
Oh my god, that's so fucked up.
I'm sorry.
Holy shit.
Oh, there we go. I found it.
For anyone that didn't catch that, by the way, I was the person who drew the backs of the cards as like a temporary thing.
I found where it's setting it.
Where's it setting it?
See, like they're big now.
Okay, where's it setting it?
It is in card draw handler. In tween to position at the bottom. It sets visual.scale. By default, it was at 1:1.
Okay.
I don't know where it's scaling it up from there.
Yeah, one of the problems that I'm having with it is I don't know either, and
Outer Wilds. I'm never finishing this game, by the way. You're off.
Probably off from them.
Yeah, you're off.
That's fine. I don't hear it, so.
You're still off though, so like.
Okay, dude. Well, you've never been on, so. Fuck you. Where did my code search go? Oh, here.
Let's see if I can figure out where it's setting the scale. I bet I can. I started looking in controls for the cards.
I'm so close to doing the voice. You have no idea.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
No. Wait.
Let's see. Where is it? Hand. Radio card. Radial. Why is it only showing one card? Wait, no. Radial card pickle. Wait, where did the cards go?
Okay, so this gets tweened up here.
Card drop.
That's fine. I understand that. Sure. Whatever. You get tweened up there. That's great. I'm like actually so happy for you, buddy. That gets tweened up like that. That's so cool.
That is so weird. Where is it scaling it?
I don't know. I don't know. Because the scale is like never anything other than 1.
So that's that there.
Wait, what is the default scale of the card? It's 1.
1, yes.
What if I just tell the... Oh, I can just tell the fucking card to print out its scale. Every single frame. Fuck it. Punk. Process. Print. Card. Scale. Scale. Term. Cool. The card thinks its scale is in fact 1 the entire time.
Nice.
Why in the fuck?
Is there any chance that like...
It literally thinks it's 1 the entire time.
Is there any way it could like be telling you the wrong information somehow?
Is there a global scale that I don't know about?
I don't know.
There is a global scale I didn't know about. I didn't know that was a fucking property in Godot. Any people in chat know that was a property in Godot?
I didn't. Property in Godot?
Apparently, global scale is a property in Godot. Had
I
no
did not know
fucking
global
clue.
scale was a property in Godot.
Well, it still says 1, so
Nice.
no change.
Hmm.
Any knowers in chat? Know about global scale?
I see where
It's so weird. I didn't know that was a thing.
So it's setting the scale to 0, 0 to 1, 1 here. Where is it? Tweening the scale. Is that in card handler? As tween to position. I love how in the function tween to position there's like no, oh, it's process busier, is that it? Okay, that
What?
doesn't do anything with the scale though, so card
What?
functions. Huh?
Wait.
Wait.
I'm getting some weird shit here.
Mm-hmm.
Like some really weird shit. Something's going wrong. Visual of sword card? There's not a sword card in the tree. Who are you? Okay, well I know who you are. I know what you're printing. That's the old UI that's getting deleted. But I just realized it's there. Old UI, you're gone. I hope nothing breaks. If something breaks, I'm gonna be pissed. JW, why did you break something?
I didn't break anything, it wasn't me.
Why did you break something, brother?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, so you do recognize yourself as being scaled up. You just never recognize yourself as being anything other than 1 scale. That's really weird.
Do you know where the scale tween is?
Yeah.
Where is it?
So the problem that I'm seeing is...
Oh wait, we have 10 errors, hold up.
Do we?
Yeah.
What are they?
See,
Oh, it's a debugger thing, I think,
okay.
because you're doing... Are you clicking on things with the game tab?
I was with the remote tab, yeah.
Yeah, sometimes those just fail. Like, some of those just cause errors. Because Godot was trying to serialize things that it can't.
Ah, okay. Cool.
That's fine. That's not an us issue.
Okay. Well, I'm going to...
Yeah, those errors will also show up sometimes if you use the item selector inside of the game.
I'm gonna try is what...
It's crazy. It's been an hour and a half already.
We're so good at
fucked
this. We're gonna close this. We're gonna not bother with that right now. Let's just see how this would work if we... Oh, it doesn't like that if we do that. We'd have to change the sub viewport size for that to work. I was gonna see how it'd look if we put the charges like above the card somewhere, but it doesn't let me do that because the sub viewport size. But I think if we just like make it larger, it's not gonna be a big deal. Let's make it 400.
I love Night in the Woods soundtrack. It's so good.
Now we just move this guy down to here.
This motherfucker thinks that he is...
There we go, I think that's better.
1.0 scale. Why do you think you're 1.0 scale? You aren't. Like, you just objectively are not 1.0 scale, and I don't know where you're getting this information from. Oh, wait. Wait.
Let's just try.
Is there an animation player as part of this? No. Is there a material set? Technically, but not. Is it a shader parameter? Is that going on? Is there a shader that's like being annoying?
Numbers of a card. Interesting. I don't know if I like it. But it is indeed interesting.
Wait, Digi's Monkey King, you said you're not familiar with Godot that well. Are you using Godot, or are you just like... Are you a game dev? I actually don't know.
He's like a pixel artist. I don't know if he does any game dev stuff.
Okay. Gotcha. Oh. Thank you, YouTube, for pausing my music. That's dope. I wasn't like jamming to that or anything.
Where is default colors?
Global scale. See also scale. Thank you for the description.
Let's see how that looks maybe. Ooh, we could actually make the
Use
card.
Unity. Okay. Fair enough.
I mean, that's okay. Oh, hey, we got a raid on Twitch. I didn't even notice. I wasn't paying attention. How long ago was that?
Oh no. JW.
I'm sorry, I was trying to find the
JW. It was 3
I'm sorry,
minutes
I was
ago.
trying to find the
Fuck, dude. JW.
Oop, I accidentally
You need to
pulled
have
up my
alerts on.
I pulled up my stream in it. You'll hear myself talking in a second, and that's funny.
Yeah, you should put well, I won't, but yeah, you should put we should set up alerts for your stream.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. I can figure that out.
Twitch stuff.
I literally just started on Twitch. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. But hello for whoever rated it. This is
my god.
the silly game that I'm making.
Yeah, sorry, this is his first time or second time streaming on Twitch. He doesn't have anything set up for like notifications or anything. And is not used to having two chats.
Yeah.
But how's it going? Are you also, I'm assuming, game dev? And if so, what are you working on? We're working on Dante's 9, which is a roguelike deck builder platformer.
Maybe I make them the color of the card. Let me try that.
We are just doing some random ass game dev stuff. That's so funny.
That is very funny.
I also don't have your Twitch chat pulled up on my screen.
Oh, you don't? Okay.
So I could... No. Well, I have it pulled up in a different tab.
Ah, okay.
YouTube it. Fiddling around with an old idea today. Yeah, fair enough. I'm assuming you use Godot, Unity, Unreal, GameMaker, Construct, Scratch, Web.
I think you missed a couple.
Godot? Okay, fair. I missed a couple. What did I miss?
Roblox.
Oh yeah, do you use Roblox?
Yeah.
Do you use Godot? What kind of... you said an old idea. What is the kind of game that is? Sorry, I'm still trying to figure out where this is broken. I might just give up on this. Or not give up, but like, you know what I mean. Pick a question. I get that. I honestly do. There was a game I was working on a little while ago, and I still don't know how I would describe that. Is it a shader shenanigan? Am I like...
That's what I was thinking it could be.
Am I like getting fooled about something? The genre's overscoped. So fucking real.
Literally me. That's why I have a funny programmer now to do all my work for me.
That's true. I am the hired programmer.
Is the programmer that I might pay someday if I feel like it.
Yeah. Tutorial room. Where's the player? I need to burrow down this scene tree and look at the player. Cards. Draw handler. Let me look at your material. Please tell me that like anything in here makes sense. You don't have a material because you're not the guy that has the material. It's the sub viewport that has the material. Is your material different than I would expect?
Default color.
Nope. All right, good luck. Yeah. Good luck on your bedtime. Hopefully you dream of really cool things. Holy shit, we have a cross chat. I don't even know what the word is gonna be there. We have someone who swap chats. Hello, Moaz. This is not right. Something is wrong.
Crazy. How do I do this? What am I doing?
Oh my god, I know what it is. I know what it is. Oh my god, I know what it is. You changed the scale of the card, right?
The scale of the card?
Yes.
Like the sprite?
Something on you changed some scale on the card sprite, right? The card visual,
the card
right?
base sprite is 3. Yes.
Can you look at my screen?
Yeah,
can you pull this up?
Pull it up. Oops, we got it.
This is so fucking funny. I realize what it is. It is a shader shenanigan.
Oh, is it actually?
So, the card. I'll do this for the description card really quickly, because you didn't change description card because the description card is fine.
Yeah.
If I were to rotate description card around, I had to do some shenanigans to get this to line up correctly. So the back scale is set to some weird value.
I see what's happening.
So I thought that it was growing in size, but it's really
it's slipping over.
that the back of the card is not the correct size.
I see. That's so funny. Make sure.
There we go, guys.
Is that local?
Found it.
The scene or whatever unique. You're gonna make sure you're not editing.
Oh
the
yeah,
same.
yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yep.
That way it doesn't.
And I bet
change from the other
that this is gonna be the right size. Well, I don't know about bet, but it's probably gonna be the right size now. Woo! It is.
Whoa.
Except there was a testing thing where I made it ×3. That's funny.
That's really funny.
I
was wondering. I thought it could be, but I was like, "There's no way any of those shaders have anything based on scale on them."
They do. They have some weird shit going on them.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Where do I save? I save the color in here somewhere, right? Yeah.
For what? What are you coloring?
I'm coloring the text. What format do I have these in? What format does BB code use? It's whatever that one uses.
BB code uses hex.
Hex?
Yeah.
How do I do that? Is it
Are you
color
trying
dot
to
hex?
do from dot from web? I think
From
it is.
web?
Color dot from
I don't see web.
string.
From string?
Oh no, from hex. Yeah, no, sorry, there's a from hex there. No, there's not. I'm stupid.
I think there's dot hex, but that takes an int, not a string.
Yeah, so color dot hex turns a color to hex.
Oh, so
Color
from
dot HTML.
dot HTML.
Yes, and then you pass in the hex string there.
Okay, that's so weird.
It is, but
that was a good idea.
That is the way.
Okay.
That's how you do it.
Well, let's see if this works. Theoretically, what this should do is set the charge
Color the cards, the color of the text.
Yes. Hey, it worked. Why did it only add one card? I clicked on a bunch of them. I might have clicked into.
I think you missed the button.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yippee!
That doesn't actually look terrible.
Needs an outline so it stands out against the background.
Outline.
But yeah.
Like a white outline or black?
Probably white. Oh, you're getting another raid.
Another raid? Whoa.
Yeah. Hello.
I'm famous. Hello. I don't know how to stream. I'm making a game.
Oh, let me actually, you know what? Here's the thing that you're supposed to do whenever you get raids. Sorry, you don't get those on YouTube. I'm gonna do a double shout out because we got a raid just a little bit ago from
let's go.
Emilian. I'm gonna shout them out really quickly because they did. I forgot to do that earlier, and then I will also do a shout out in about 10 seconds. To Revere. Hello, how's it going?
Hello.
I'm assuming you are also a game dev. How is it going? What are you guys working on? And then there is the... Oh, I have another 2 minutes before I can get everyone to shout out. Sorry, don't know Twitch. This is a new thing for both of us. 3 multiplayer space game? Really? I'm assuming Godot. If not, then what engine are you using? And how is that going? That sounds really, really cool. Good so far? That's good. How long have you been working on it? Okay, sorry. Hold up.
Mm-hmm.
I had something in my mind that I needed to do. What was it?
I'm just gonna...
Okay, no, I remember what it was.
I'm just
Okay, we're
playing
good.
some of the games since we got people joining,
Yeah.
so you can see all the crazy stuff we
Yeah.
got.
Do you have the sound on your game? I don't
I
have the
do
stream
have
on,
it
so I
on,
can't
the
hear.
sound on. I don't have the music on because we got stream music, but yeah.
Just over a year in Godot, 3 years in Unity before that. That's dope. A year ago, you started Godot. I'm assuming you swapped to Godot because of the Unity fiasco then? Or if not, what was the reason you swapped to Godot? Because I also started in Unity, and then about 3 years ago, I swapped to Godot, and I was just like, this is amazing. Combination. Fair enough, yeah. Also, you might want to get a chat display for your stream, JW.
Yes,
so that,
yes, I do want to do that. I forgot to set that up.
Yeah, so that YouTube
yeah,
chat can
for
see
anybody in
Twitch chat and
YouTube,
vice
we're like,
versa.
we got a couple raids on Twitch, so
Yeah.
we're ignoring YouTube for now. We don't like
We're not
you anymore.
ignoring YouTube. I'm flipping between both of the chats right now.
I got them both up, so if YouTube, please keep talking. We don't hate you.
Well, it depends on who the
broke
person
something.
we're talking to is. If it's Moaz,
Yeah,
maybe we do.
It's not very nice, but like, yeah, fair enough.
He's like a good friend.
Yeah, exactly. Usually the more we say we hate somebody, the better friend they are.
That's just life. That's how everyone does it.
Feels so weird with the worm like actually working. You actually have to shoot him a bunch before he dies.
Oh yeah, because it doesn't just insta die because of the hitbox stuff. I need to fix the issue. Can you write down in the quick notes actually?
Yeah.
I need to make it so that the tracer hits the last hitbox. And
It hits the last hitbox. Okay.
Yeah, because I have not coded that in yet, and I need to.
Tracer hits last hitbox. Okay.
I like how the notes that you pulled up had penis achievement for stickers. I know you saw it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see that.
It's player engagement, you know? You've got a system where you can put custom stickers on a card.
Oh yes, there is indeed a system that does that. So if we go here and spam add stickers, we don't have it,
It does
set
it
up properly
randomly
yet, but
right
we got random stickers in the cards, and it looks kind of cool. Kind of sick.
What was I doing? Oh yeah. So width of the trail. So the trail works kinda now. There's a couple things that I want to add to this. Yeah, kinda. It's not very good right now because it's just like a red box.
Yeah, we like red boxes.
Yeah, I wanted to add something where it leaves positions behind it and then disappears over time. So I'm gonna work on that now, which is going to be fun potentially.
I have no clue how any of that works, so good luck. This is why you're the programmer.
Yes, sir.
And like tech artist, whatever you want to be called. Oh,
yeah, tech art programmer. This is why I teach people Godot. There's many different
Something's
things.
weird with the mini map. Some of the connections aren't showing up. Maybe it's because you changed stuff and you didn't upload the procedural generation stuff yet. So would that be why?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's some weird shit going on there that needs to be revisited before the next.
Well, also, let me write this down. There's something weird with the sword. The zoom in is like really jarring all of a sudden.
Yeah.
I'll add that to your to do. I can check it out if you don't have time to.
I'll add that to your to do. Yeah,
well, it's like a programming thing, so like you might know what's causing it.
I know, I can do it. Let's see. It's. Ooh, how do I want to do this? Oh, I know, I got it.
There we go. Beautiful. Well, we got our sticker card. That does absolutely nothing special. Remember when you said you were gonna like work on that for like half an hour, then you're gonna try to get the negative shader working?
Well, no, okay, so what I said was that I was gonna try to get the line rendering. If I couldn't fix the line rendering by 9:15, I would swap. And I fixed the line rendering, and then it started doing some weird shit that wasn't specifically because of the line rendering. So now I'm doing that part.
Oh, the kunai the card is actually good against the worms because it has such a good spread that you can hit the worm in like multiple places.
You know what, GW? Just for you, buddy. I'll write the negative shader.
Okay. You know, I was like joking, but that's okay.
Let's see. What did you send me? This is fucked up, I think.
What is?
Oh, shit.
You can just use the mask for now, and then I can
I'm
yeah.
so happy that you don't have my screen on stream right now. Because whenever I hit save image, it pulled up my memes folder, which has the image of Maple that Cosmic sent yesterday.
That would have been
I'm
really
so
funny.
happy that that was not on stream. It's not. It's
No,
nothing
but
not safe for work for anyone curious. It is just like a funny.
It's very.
It's a funny image that
it is.
I would rather not have on stream.
But that would make for a great clip to upload to TikTok and get lots of followers. You know?
Sorry, chat. I left on the thicker Maple mod.
Okay, well that's
Maple is very fit. Stop drawing her. It's funny.
Where I got 3 bugs at least from.
Hmm?
Invalid polygon data. Arr.
Is that from you? Oh yeah, it's
from the. It's
yeah. I know what I know. What the
you know
issue
what
is.
it is. Yeah.
I know what it is. I need to fix that.
Can I add an outline to the
my side as well.
font from here?
Yeah. It's a theme override thing.
Oh.
You like set outline color and then you set outline size in constants. Color and constants is your friend.
Oh.
You also, I believe, need to put something in color. Like you need to tick the outline color.
Yeah. Oh, interesting. I don't know if I like the way that does the outline, but it does indeed do an outline. Go and change the default color so it doesn't look terrible.
Okay. Let's load in an Atlas texture. A new texture. Oh, I guess it doesn't need to be an Atlas texture. Why did you put it on a? Why'd you send me separate images? I'm just curious.
I don't know, because I thought that would be better.
This is like very large, by the way, compared to the rest of the card. Oh, because it needs to be scaled down, right? Or
no, it's the same scale.
no, it's the same size. Yeah, it's very large compared to the.
Yeah, I guess it is kind of large.
Not. It's not the same scale. Because you can see there's like the overlap there.
Or is that just something weird?
Gonna...
Check the positioning. Where is it positioned? You might have it like off a pixel. Yeah, that's why.
Why is it off a pixel? It's wrong. What is this?
Oh,
Why
I think it's because it's an
wider?
odd number of pixels size-wise. So it's a half a pixel off. So you could change the offset.
There's like this here.
I don't know. I don't know, man.
This pixel is this.
It is 59 by 61 pixels, so like maybe it's something in the import settings.
I'm fixing it. Don't worry. I've got it. Don't worry, I'll handle it.
Okay.
It's the dive rocket launcher. Oh, you know what? I can shout out our good friend who rated us now because it's not around. There you go.
How does that even work? What did you? Huh?
Do / shout out and then their name, and there is a cooldown of 2 minutes between shoutouts, so you can't.
What does it do? Does it like?
It pops up a little thing at the top of the chat that says shout out was given to, and it says join us in following their username, and then you can click a button and it will follow.
Well, that's cool. I did not know.
Best viewers on boostking.online.
Let's
Dude, that
go.
is so true.
Hold up.
Let's see. Can I get like a better viewer than Moaz on Boost King Online? Holy.
I don't know.
Moaz isn't even in the chat anymore. I don't want to bully him if he's not here.
True. Actually, probably still can bully him even if he's not here.
I mean, we can, but like, you know, I don't want to.
Let's see how this looks with that outline.
There we go. Now it's flush. I just exported it as a 64 by 64 image.
Okay, that's really weird.
It's like quite large compared to the thing though.
Ooh, I really don't like the outline on the text. Huh? I really don't like the outline on the text.
Yeah, fair enough.
Maybe making it a little bit larger might help.
Byte stuffing.
No. Bad.
Weird. What's bad about that? Byte stuffing. What's wrong with that?
It's bad.
It's like it's a programming technique where you take the upper and I mean you can also do it with bits, but
yeah, it's
a lot of
normal.
old games would do it with like the upper and lower nibble of a byte.
Yeah.
But you can do it with individual bits in a byte to make it so you can hold
But if you make it like double the
A
size.
lot more flags. Negative sticker.gd shader. I actually don't know how to do a negative filter, so I guess I'm just gonna try to like.
You just invert the color. It's not that hard.
Okay.
Just do color dot invert.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, actually, you know, I need something else. I need a back buffer copy, I think, or a canvas grouper. I might need to do something else. Sampler 2D. Screen texture. Hint. Screen texture, I think. And this will make it so. You're doing some shit, right? You're not doing some shit. You're not doing any shit. Color is texture. Screen texture. UV. Question mark. Oh, that's not what I would have expected. It's fine. It's just like oh, I might need to do something special with this actually.
Might
Potentially.
you?
Huh?
Might you?
Yeah, I might need to. Oh wait, no. Oh no, I don't.
Shaders are scary. I don't know how they work. I just go to godotshaders.com and then steal random junk from there and call it a day.
Ooh, that looks really cool. It's not supposed to, but it does look really cool, and I don't know why.
You just type 69. Yes, I'm just typing random numbers to see how they look. And like,
what a funny random number.
I was just pushing random numbers on the keyboard, okay?
Hmm. Okay.
A really small amount. Oops. I have an idea.
Sorry. What's the idea?
Gradient texture.
Whoa. No shot. We're getting a gradient texture dropped in current year.
Yeah. Ooh, this is a beautiful gradient texture. Why does it look so weird? What did they do to my boy? Oh, it's because it's I see.
What the fuck? This is weird. This is very, very weird.
Okay, what am I doing here? We want texture filter to change the filter. What am I doing? What I'm doing is I'm putting like a gradient behind the charge as kind of like to add a little contrast, but not to like completely add like a crazy outline or something. I don't know if it'll look good or not. Like this here.
What if you were to
It
add
should be
like
I want it to be the color of the text, maybe, or I don't know.
What if there was just like a light, or not light, like what if there was like a shadow gradient radially behind it?
Shadow gradient?
Like, click your gradient, move the gradient, center it,
Yeah.
edit the gradient resource, go to raw data, offsets, or sorry, no, not that one. Sorry, outside of the gradient resource, the fill. Change it to 0.5, and like make the from 0.5, 0.5, and make the last one 0.50. I guess that works, yeah. And then, and then make your gradient go from light or dark to not alpha, whatever the fuck, opaque.
I know what you're saying. I think so like that.
Yeah. Other way around, so that the shadow comes from inside the number. Yeah, and then also you want to move if you go down to your fill, change it from 1 to 0.5 on like the 2.
2 to 0.5.
Yeah, so make it like 0.5 and 0. There you go, and then see what that looks like. May deserve a little bit of tweaking. Yeah, like a little bit of... Like, it could be centered, it could be...
Yeah, the hard part is just like if you have
opaque.
a larger number. Maybe if you make it a little bit larger.
It could also be less opaque in terms of like the actual... Like the darkest of the color should be like a little bit less opaque. Fuck, how do I do that? I guess I can just use an if check. I don't like writing an if check inside of a shader, but who fucking cares?
Try that. Just don't know the best way to do this, to be honest. To like show the charges. Looks a little better.
Yeah, I don't either. I think we just need to like prototype a bunch of random shit and see if that works.
Like that one has a nice little shadow now. It's like not a lot though. It's definitely something, but
yes.
But I definitely think having the corner one be the damage is better. I think I would like that better.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
Let's see. If that's
Okay. I'm just trying to think what else you could do. I mean, there's still the idea of having the cards like off to the side. But I don't think I want to have people have to like look off to the side to see like how many charges they have.
Yeah. I keep looking over, expecting there to be something cool over there in your chat, only to be hit with the message byte stuffing. Every single time.
Yeah. Maybe like somebody say something better.
I'm like stupid.
Did I have anything else on the to-do list that I wanted to do? Did. New charge indicator, which didn't work very well. We did some sticker designs. Needed the larger charge indicator, but I think that might be a next time thing. Or I'll probably just do it off stream because it's gonna be a lot of like re-exporting card designs since all of them currently have the charge diamond thing built in. So I'm gonna have to re-export all of them without. What?
No, I'm just trying.
Yeah, I'll just pull up your stream since I'm like not doing anything right now.
Yeah.
By the way, how are you gonna do stickers with like shaders? Because aren't they just right now you just put in a sprite?
I can set their material whenever they spawn. Like
Okay. Yeah.
we can do.
I was thinking
shit.
you could
I'll
even
get
do
more
it
into
like we do with the cards, where it's just a scene. So that way
No.
you could. But like, what if you wanted to give it like particles or something like that?
Actually, maybe the only thing is something about them being resources down here makes the most sense to me.
Yeah.
I could tie
Well, you
them
would have it
to
as
any
you would have
scene.
it as a resource, and then you would have a scene parameter in the resource. So like
I
the
think
sticker
that
design
having that be an
scene,
optional thing is
maybe.
fine. I think having
So
it
like
be
by
that like a
default, it would
simple sticker
make
like
a
this.
sprite. Yeah, it would just be the sprite, and then
Yeah.
if it didn't,
It could be like extra things to add to the sprite scene.
Yeah.
I think that would work the best.
that would work.
Screen sample, flip, mask sample. I think I just do this again, but like with the border sample. Did I call it border? What did I call it? Did I call it border texture? Invalid assignment. Back 4. You're so right. You bestie. Border. So first I'll just do border sample. Oh, cool. Yeah, no, that's
pretty cool looking.
that is what I thought that was gonna do. Oh, because I don't have a texture set. I never gave it a texture. Why is it not here? Oh, because it's set to hint screen texture. Duh. Yep, almost. Filter nearest. Okay, dope.
Beautiful.
So that works. Almost. What if I were to do this? Else color is equal to vec3. So that it becomes white. No? Oh shit, you're so right. I don't. Ah. I see. That's really weird. Color is border sample, otherwise. Okay, and if I were to reverse these, it would be like nothing, right? It would be.
I think that might be what you want.
No,
Oh, what if
it's
you?
not?
Oh yeah, because it's the wrong color.
It's also like off the size. Even though I'm sampling it from the UV.
It's weird.
It is really weird. Why?
Is it because it's no?
Let me just. In what fucking world? Ask sample.
Cool. Let's go.
Is it because the red channel's different? I see. That's weird.
That's interesting.
Why? Shouldn't the
Oh,
red
wait.
channel of this be...
That might not be pure white.
It's not pure white.
Because it's the one from the from the color palette. Oopsies.
I love it whenever my fucking artist makes it hard to program. Okay, how do I do
that's
a color
you shouldn't use
flip?
pure white.
What?
What?
Okay, and if I were to do screen sample color.rgb is equal to that, and color.a is equal to 1.0. So this is the screen sample behind it, right? So if I were to do like color.r is equal to 0, this would make it like pink. Or like a little bit of a weird... no, it wouldn't be pink. That would be if it made this... Yeah. Okay. How do we do an invert? I actually don't know. I'm going to try... Like, my intuition tells me to do like a 1 minus. That's not... That might be right, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ew. Okay, that's fine. I can do some shit about that. Don't worry. Color.a times equals screen sample.a. What's wrong with you? Info number for vector screen sample. I'm only getting the RGB. It's not RGB. Why are you no longer invalid assignment of a... You're so right. Yeah, there we go. Oh, no.
No, that's
Why
right.
are you...
Wait, what's the
No,
problem?
but...
Oh, because it's the outside.
Oh, shit. That's not working. Why is the alpha on that not 0? This should be 0, should it not?
Is it maybe because the selection mask is there? No, that wouldn't make any sense.
I'm trying to think how I want to do this. There's a couple of things coming to mind. None of them are particularly cool. So I think the issue, one of the issues particularly, is that if I were to add a sprite 2D back here, and just like toss in green diamond, scale you up a good bit, and then put you behind this. That looks really cool, but the rendered color back here is not transparent. So how do I want to tell this that you shouldn't render there? There's a couple of things coming to mind, and the first one is not particularly great.
Couldn't you just make a mask like you did for the other one?
Yeah,
Wait, no.
that was the not great one.
I'm just trying to...
But I can do a uniform sampler.
Wait a second. If you just put that... That's not below the sticker mask, is it?
Below the sticker mask? What is sticker
As
mask?
a child of the card
mask?
mask.
This guy?
What if you just put it as a child of the card mask? That won't just like magically work, will it?
Oh, it does. Almost.
Well, that's because that's just a problem with the sticker, how the stickers are implemented. That's okay, I'll fix that.
Is it supposed to be below these?
No. I think yours is a different version. Mine, just move the card mask node to the very bottom of the scene tree and it'll work. There you go.
Whoa.
What?
I feel like this needs a little bit more texture. So honestly, what could be cool is... Okay, let's do this.
We do love Terraria Underground, by the way. Oh, hello, Atok. I just finished doing some art stuff. Now I'm just watching my programmer, Bitlitic. He is doing some shader code that is doing magic stuff that I don't understand how it works whatsoever.
Okay, so that still works. Hello. So now what I can do, so I can actually kill this. You don't need to be color alpha anymore. Alpha will just be 1. Oh, well, color alpha will not be 1. Color alpha will be whatever the fuck we said it before. What I can do now is I can say color.rgb is equal to mix output color border sample, other way around, and mask sample.a.
He is cooking.
Wait, hold on. It's pissed about something because this needs to be RGB. Okay.
So what does that do?
So what does that do is a great question. One, we got rid of the border on accident. Why? Wait, hold on. Color.
Oh, and it is 10:30, past 10:30, by the way.
It's fine. I can do screen sample.a. So now this will generate that, and then I don't need to swizzle this anymore.
Swizzle. Such a funny word.
Swizzle that anymore. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, so the border's in. So what this does is, let's say I wanted to make this so that it wasn't. What would be a good way to do this? So if I wanted to make it so a certain part of it, or I guess this should be the color that I use. Does this get rid of transparency? This doesn't.
No.
Right? Fuck. We're making this pure white. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
And then I'm gonna lower this and then draw a cat face on it.
Oh, and I usually end the stream around 10:30. It's not like a hard cap. It's just like a. That's usually when I end it, but depends on what we're doing.
Ah, shit, that almost works. What's wrong with you? Why are you so weird? Screen sample.r. Oh, wait, no, sorry, mask sample. I changed the wrong thing. There we almost
Beautiful.
go. Wait. Why is it? Is there a color out here? No.
No.
Because it shouldn't be.
Alright, C8 Huck.
It shouldn't be doing things out there. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna deselect, swap the magic wand tool, and then just select these, and I guess I'll just set them back to full white, but make them slightly transparent.
You're gonna have to erase them first.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I erased 10% of opacity from it. There we go. So now
Beautiful.
Certain parts can have different effects. So like, for example, if you wanted to not affect certain parts of the card, you can. I don't know if that's something we want to do.
Yeah, I can mess around with that, yeah.
On them. So now there's like a mask where the card is cut out.
What could also be interesting is there's a way to like tweak the color, like make it closer or farther to red rather than or not red, but whatever the original color was. Like how much it inverts it, like on a scale.
Well, that is a thing. Like if I were to add this card. Oh, that looks wild. It's a little bright, honestly.
Yeah.
And that might be an issue.
Oh, wait,
we might need
back.
to tweak the shader a little bit. Let me.
If you go back to the other one, I don't think that's right on the shader.
Hmm?
If you go back to the game.
I can't make my. There we go. Give me full bright, full transparency, please.
That is. Oh, I guess it is the right color. It's just because it's the dark background. So I think we might just want to decrease the amount that it does it.
Yeah, that might be the play.
Yeah, it is doing it.
Yeah, it's very, very bright.
Yeah.
Then honestly, something that could be cooler is like a hue shift, perhaps? Or...
Maybe.
Let me turn on my music again, because I might... Did it? Yeah, the card is covered in ectoplasm. That's exactly what it is, for sure.
True.
If I were to... Oh my god, can I make like a gradient in a sprite?
Yes, there is a gradient.
Like,
I
is there
don't
a way
know.
for me to gradient this out? Or would I just have to like erase
I thought
the
there was a
inside?
gradient tool, but I don't think so. Now that I think about it. Honestly, I think that might look better, though, just doing it that way. Pixel art look.
Oh, that looks weird. Let me see
Yeah.
how that looks on a card. Well, I mean, it's an idea.
Yeah. Try just reducing the opacity of the whole thing. Like, just all
Let I can reduce the amount that it inverts as well.
That would also be good.
Like 1.0 minus screen sample.rgb. So this is a full invert. So oh, wait, I don't know why I have this output color here. This doesn't matter. And then I can do like a mix between screen sample .rgb and 1.0. So this would be the effect that we had before. Let me make a uniform so I can from float invert amount.
I would look and see
I
how
might
it
need to
looks
play
on
around
like
with
the
this.
colored card.
Yeah, I can do that.
I would also see like without the weird gradient thing, because I think that kind of throws it off a little bit.
Shit, there's a trail being rendered. Get the fuck out of here.
Now that's not doing anything.
It is.
It is
Somewhat. Yeah, let me undo all of this shit that I did. Is that Fulbright? I think it is. Yeah, let me...
I see, so it kind of doesn't do anything until you get to a certain
Yeah,
point.
at 0.5 it is exactly the same. It is exactly gray. Because it is...
Oh, God, I get it. I get
color.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait a second, I know what to do. Just ignore, have it ignore...
I think you and I just had the exact same idea, which is ignore the dark parts.
Ignore the
if
dark
it's not
parts,
over a certain threshold.
It's not over a certain threshold.
Yeah, I can do that.
Stupid game devs think alike.
Color sensitivity. How would I do that? I've got a couple things actually. Can I get the length of a vector in? Oh my god, I can. Oh my god, I love shaders. I love shaders. Float magnitude is equal to that. Wait. I could maybe do this actually. What does that do? Oh shit, wait, that is fucking cool, but
Do we like this one?
I kind of fuck with that. I'm curious what that looks like in game though. And I'll have to reload because the shader is per scene, I think. Or no, it's not. But
Wait, still to reload it? I don't know. That looks kind of sick, I'm not gonna lie.
it does look sick. I think it can use a little bit of work.
Yeah, but it definitely looks a lot better.
Yeah. Let me...
It looks very ghosty. I like it.
edit the shader really quickly. I'm gonna try something. I would love to be able to edit this shader and have it reload in the game. I won't lie to you. You know what I can do, actually? How about this? What if I were to just add the...
Yeah.
Is the sword texture just like a thing here? Yeah.
There's like 20 different versions.
Yeah, this makes it a lot easier.
That's not even the right version, but that's perfect. Oh wait, no, is that the right version? Is it not the right version? Yeah, wait, no, that is the right version.
It looks like it. Why are you great? Oh, dude, oh my god, my eyes just got tricked. I thought that I accidentally made the shader apply to the entire screen and it removed the color, but it was just me switching back to the the default color. That's so weird. I got fucked up. I guess I don't need card mask anymore. So color sensitivity. So I was doing some shit.
It's like math nerd stuff that I don't understand, but it's cool.
Yeah, I'm trying to think. I can do magnitude minus equals color sensitivity. And then magnitude is equal to lamp.
Should I have
Is that
separate?
Wilson?
Yes, that is Wilson. That is Wilson. You can tell because of the penguin profile picture.
Oh, true.
And also by the question. And in answer to the question, I would say yes, you should have a separate button for default attacks and charged attacks. Like Elden Ring. Because we love Elden Ring.
Oh, that's not working. Wait, magnitude. Magnitude is clamp. Yes. Yeah. I got it. Do we have a remap function? We have a mix, right? Oh my god, how do I want to do this? Hold on. I might need to just grab this function. I don't know. Would mix do what I want? JW, does mix do what I want?
I think so. I think it does, yeah.
What is mix? Mix is just a lerp, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't do what I want. Remap GLSL. Give me a fucking function. Thank you. There's literally... I've looked this up so many times. I've been to this GitHub gist so many times. Someone just made a GitHub gist specifically for this function to toss into your shader code. So I'm gonna do map. So what we're gonna map is, I'm gonna hide this because I think this is gonna do something really cool. So magnitude will now map from what? Oh wait, no, this doesn't work. Wait, no, it does, right? It will now map from 0 to 1 minus color sensitivity, because that's now the max. But we instead want to bring this up to this. Please be. Wait. Hold on. We're thinking for just a second.
He's thinking.
Does this do what I want? I think this does what I want. If I put this here. Fuck, it doesn't. Wait.
No? Oh?
It's
close.
It's very close to almost being there. Hold on. So... let me bypass a bunch of shit really quickly, because I'm just curious what this maps to. This does like some weird shit right now. It doesn't. We're going to say color is equal to vec 4. I'm going to make it just like a full white sprite really quickly. I'll just make this. Okay. Color is equal to a Magnitude 0, 0. So the red channel will now be mapped to the magnitude of the sprites under it. If I subtract color sensitivity, it goes dark. If I clamp it, that's fine. And now if I map it, no. Okay, so what is this? Min 1 max 1, min 2 max 2. Is this from this range to this range? I'm like missing something, I think. What am I missing?
I don't know. I don't know how any of this works, so.
Apparently I don't either. Let's see. If the magnitude is over a certain amount, I want... What is the... Hold up. Where's this texture? I need to grab this texture from somewhere. You. Give me this texture. I'm taking this into ASP, right? So the brightest color on here is what? Not very bright. Okay, so then I don't want this to be a magnitude. I want this to be a max of... Can this just return like a thing? Invalid arguments for the built-in max. Okay. So can I do this, this, and this? Any chance I can do 3 at once? No? Okay, that's fine. That was a really stupid way of doing that, but whatever. Okay. By the way, I think working on shaders makes you go insane. Just as like a heads up.
Yeah. That's why I don't work on shaders, is because I don't want to go insane. Because I am very regular right now.
Yeah, for sure, dog. And then, how could I pull this up towards 1? Because I want to pull it up towards 1. I guess I could do that. Or like this.
Looks like it's doing something.
It is. Yes. And then if I could do like a clamp magnitude 0 and 1 again. I guess I don't need to do this clamp here then if I do that. Yeah. Because if I were to change this to like 0.1.
Whoa.
Ooh. Let's see what this does. As I bring up or down the color sensitivity. Oh my god, it's like not. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I hate to do this.
Mm-hmm.
You know, use some cool shader tricks, but I think that is not the way to do it.
I mean, I think... Oh, why will you look at that?
I was gonna use some cool shader tricks. I'll just do an if check instead because it makes more sense and it works. Because then we can turn the invert amount up to like 2 and it makes it look really cool.
I don't know, I almost kind of liked it better before how you had it. Like the very first. attempt at it. Where it was like kind of ghosty like.
I mean, I could make it so that if it's under the amount,
It does it like
It's-
less so.
yeah, because this would do that, and then I would like divide by 2 or something, or like divide by 10, or like not much. I need to figure out. I'm moving through shit space, right now, which is obvious whenever I do a divide by 2.0. You see how it turns this shit
Yeah.
gray.
Mm-hmm.
It's because I'm moving through shit space. I'm moving directly, like from one RGB point to another, which is not a good idea.
Yeah.
Because like you can see that it becomes very, very muddy. Oh well, that's not gonna. You don't want to divide by 0.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't. I don't know what would be a good way to do a middle ground. Like if I do a color.a is equal to like 0.5, does that? Oh god. That doesn't really do much for me. That's like doing nothing. Oh, it's because this. That's cool. It's not supposed to be like that, but it is cool.
Oh, it's just applying the border where the color is.
Yeah. Ooh.
Well, I mean, that's just
pretty
the same
missing
thing.
the border,
just without
but
the border,
yeah.
But yeah, I think this one looks good. I think the first one looked the best though. It was kind of like ghosty, where it kind of just applied everything less.
Why the fuck is there not? Oh,
It's
the
only
border
applying
is
border
there.
where the
Ah, shit.
the
Yeah,
mask
okay,
is.
then we'll... Wait, so hold on. If I were to bring this back, give me just a second. Give me just a moment to try this. Is
I'm
it gonna...
letting you cook.
I'm not. Don't let me cook. Don't let my ass cook ever
Okay.
again. I'm never gonna write a shader again.
No.
Is there a better way to invert colors? Invert color shader. I'm just gonna look really quickly to see if anyone has... 1 minus value. Alright, dog. Anything cooler than that? Ah, shit. Yeah. It's just all 1 minus.
Nice.
I mean, like... What do you have? What do you got going on over here? Okay, cool. Yeah, this looks dope. Very dope. Yeah, it is just a 1 minus. I might have to come up with a better way to do a invert shader then.
Yeah. You can mess around with it.
Yeah, I could. Yeah. Like, vec3 1.0 minus that. So this would be the exact same, right? What if I were to make you like 0.5? Oh, you look like shit. Why do you look like shit? I don't understand why it's making the middle of the sword look like shit whenever it's... Oh, because this color sensitivity is wrong.
Honestly, that's not terrible. Oop. That actually looks kind of
That's
cool.
kind of a... That's
Hold
a
up.
kind of a cool effect.
Yeah, have it like darken it.
Ooh.
Oh, I like that. Hold up.
Wait, that's actually kind of fucking... That's kind
Can you
of hot.
test it out
I
on the
won't
other
lie.
ones?
Hold on, I need to... I'm gonna introduce a... negative... just call it negative color. I don't know what else to call it. This also needs to be a vec4, not a... I guess a vec3. No alpha.
I mean, you might want to. I don't know. No, I guess.
Or, I don't... Sorry, this is supposed to be a float. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. This should be a float. It can be a color in a second, but... I wanted to do this negative color.
I see.
Ew, this green is so ugly.
You could just make it like a little bit up, like just barely, so it's not like completely black.
Wait, no. Hold on. Let me cook. Let me cook for just a second.
Okay.
I have a map function right here in front of me. I can do some cool shit, potentially.
Uh-oh.
Fuck, it's a float value. You motherfucker.
Well, you can just float each, or
I can.
each individual component.
So this goes from 0 to negative color. And I want it to go from 0 to 1. And now I want to do this, copy paste, select E.R, make it GMB. Why do you look like that now?
What did you do?
I don't... Oh.
What did you do? Yeah,
sure.
You're not that one.
That's kind of cool-ish.
Yeah, that is cool. Minus the whatever the.
Yes, the mask because it's part of the.
So how is it getting the blue? Oh, there we go.
How's it getting the blue?
Oh, it's from the progress mask. I see.
Yeah, which means that it could actually probably just be below everything else.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not working. Oh, I dragged the wrong fucking progress mask. Of course it's not gonna work.
Oh yeah, there we go. Where's it getting the blue from?
So the blue is because I'm telling it what color I want it to be.
Oh, okay.
So
that wouldn't really work, because then every card would have a blue background.
So we can change some things. So negative amount. I'll call this, and then I will uniform vec3, which will now be called negative color, which will now be a source color, and down here, negative amount.
Ooh.
Negative color dots. Everyone gets to see me edit code like this on stream.
Whoa! What did you just do?
What?
What did you? What?
Like shader wise or code
no,
wise?
like the code. How did you do that?
So, what I did was because I know that these are, it's gonna be .r is equal to .r.g is like So I selected the negative amount.
Wait, how did?
Well, first I named this to negative amount, then I hit end on my
right.
Yeah. So then I hit home, control right to go to the period, one more to go past it. Hold shift right to select the letter, copy it, end to go to the end of the line, back, hold control and shift, select these, and then paste. And then I can do like negative color dot.
That's insane.
Yeah, motherfuckers be writing shit. I'm motherfuckers. So like, what if I were to do like?
Oh, so you're saying you could set the negative color like based on what the card it is?
Yes, we could if we wanted to. So like, if I wanted this one to be blue, then I could do that.
You'd probably want to actually make it invert the negative color. So that way you could pass it, because I already have a color variable on the card. So if you make it red that you pass in, then it inverts it. Or not inverts it, but like... Yeah, I guess it would be inverted.
And then you said there's a color on the card?
Yes.
Where would that be?
It's just color. It's just called color.
It's like on the card resource?
Yes.
Okay. Then I'll do that inside of ready. I'll grab a reference to the, just for this, just for testing purposes, this will be removed.
So complicated.
Yeah. Sprite 2D dot material dot set. Drag in this card dot, and you said it's just color. Oh no, card dot card. No, what is card? Oh, card is the motherfucker. Card is not card. It's the fucking node called card. Instance dot card dot color. Get color string. Is that it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this returns red, green, blue. I'm assuming these are your
Yes.
custom colors. Yeah. I don't know what this is gonna do. I'll be honest. Let's find out. Fuck it. We're back in game. We're taking a look. Prepare your eyes for the most ugly shit in the world, potentially. Ooh. It looks cool. It's not doing what I want it to, and I think that's because... No.
I honestly think... Well, you could literally just test it by setting the negative color to eyedroppering the red color there.
That's true. Can you eyedropper inside a Godot?
Yeah.
Oh, you totally can. What the fuck?
It's the one on the right. It's the one on the right. No. That's the wrong red color, but that's okay.
Fuck your eyedropper. I use hex codes. Okay, so something isn't working. Something is not working.
Yeah.
Because that's updating all of them.
Nice.
It's also off a little bit because there's a world environment.
That's okay.
Material.set. Oh, this returns a color string, which means I need to turn it into a color. You're so right. You're so right. Color.html. When I do the most roundabout way to just type in a fucking function call.
True. Beautiful.
Okay, well, oh. They're not local to scene, so they're overwriting it with the last one. I just need to add one of each color, so it's fine. I'll just do Crystal, Salami, Spring, and then I think that's the only three, right?
Yeah. Yes. You said all three colors. Beautiful.
Oh, cool. Yeah, no, that works. Is that what we expect it to look like? Maybe.
I don't know.
Um.
So wait, why
Here's
didn't you
what
just... I'm confused what you're doing, but okay.
What's up? Which part are you confused about?
I wasn't, why don't you just test it with the negative color in the inspector? Because,
I
like,
don't
you
wanna
can
see it
obviously
clean.
tell that that doesn't look right. Like, it shouldn't be that orange. It should be a dark blue. Is what we were trying to do. I'm just saying. I don't
You
know
hear
what
that?
you're doing.
You hear that?
Idiot.
If wait.
I'll just sit here and listen to my Piku Niku soundtrack while you work.
I need to. I don't want to write this switch statement or this if statement, but I guess I will. If color.r is greater than color.g. Oh, that's not how you do
What are you
fucking
doing?
if statements in Godot. Color.g is equal to 0.
What are you doing?
Hold on.
I'll let you cook.
Yeah, let me. Well, we're not. I don't know about cook. Let me do this though. You're gonna lose your mind whenever I do this. because it's weird.
Are you just like
Weird.
hard coding everything?
No, hold on. This is like the dumbest fucking way to do this, by the way. Oh, you're so right. That would be .x. That would be .y. And then this one would be... Fuck, stop highlighting all. .z. And then I can do temp vec. Normalized.
What am I looking at?
Temp vec is equal to temp vec dot normalized color dot r is equal to temp vec dot x. G is y and B is z, and then we get to find out if this looks good, and the answer is almost certainly fucking not.
I feel like this is gonna be like an awful flashbang.
It's not gonna be a flashbang. Wait. It almost works. Let me cook. Let me cook now.
Honestly, I think it looked better with just like the dark background. Why is the red one red? Oh, because he's spawned a new one.
Why is the green one yellow? Oh, wait,
So
it's because it's separating out into different channels. Oh my god.
I'm so
You're so
confused.
right. No, it's fine. You don't need to worry about
Okay,
it.
I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna sit here and scroll through Instagram while you do your work.
That's crazy. You're scrolling through Instagram on stream, by the way. Just insane.
Hey, you're the one that's doing the streaming, okay?
I'm the one doing the streaming. I'm streaming for you now.
Yep, exactly.
Okay, what if instead of... Hold on. Use this directly for just a second. Oh god, it looks so bad. Oh lord. Oh, don't ever let my ass cook ever again, dude. Wait, no, this might actually be goated. Why are you yellow? Are you supposed to be that color? Is that regular? Is that normal? Is that expected?
Is what? Wait, what? Which one?
JW's not even paying attention anymore. His ass is like scrolling Instagram while I'm doing the streaming.
Yep.
Okay, it is supposed to be yellow. Check this one out. Well, that's just...
Interesting.
Salami does not look good when inverted, by the way. The salami looks very bad when inverted. It looks very bad when inverted, JW.
Wait, that's because it's not picking up the shaded color. The threshold is like too low.
Oh, is that the problem?
Yeah. There you go. That's why.
Wow. That fixes everything.
Yes, it does.
And now the cards are gonna look beautiful. See?
Mm-hmm.
It's not terrible.
Yeah.
I could think... just... Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bite the bullet.
Don't eat purple salami.
I'm not mapping anymore. I'm not...
I want to eat purple salami.
I'm not mapping anymore. What?
He said don't eat purple salami, kids.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do this. That way you can set a negative color if you want.
Maybe just make it like
like a dark,
dark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dark version of whatever's on the card. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I honestly think it would look good with just like the black or like really dark gray.
Why is this You're supposed to be a lot less of that. Hold on. The
Something's
spring
weird with
part
the
is
blue one, yeah.
Yeah. That's not terrible though.
Yeah.
I think the threshold needs to be just a smidge so that it cannot or I can just re-add it.
There we go, that's better.
Thoughts, prayers?
Yeah, I think that looks good actually. I like it.
Okay, yeah, because there's like the color back here is like a darker version of this color.
Yeah.
Which could be adjusted if needed to.
Yeah. If we wanted to make it even fancier, we could even have like little sparkle particles like inside of the mask area. I'm thinking kind of like the boosty things in Celeste. You know how those are like dark with like this sparkles inside of them? I was thinking kind of like that.
Yeah.
That could be cool.
Maybe
make it like wobbly. Could like add like a wobble shader to it as well. I don't know. I'll let you do whatever you want with it.
Am I like stupid? Oh, sorry. Sampler 2D. Man, the sad life of a programmer.
Yeah.
Doing all of the shits while the artist sits back and goes, "Oh, do this, do that."
Hey, I'm not telling you to do anything. I'm saying,
no,
you do you.
I know.
You're having fun. I know you're having fun.
I am having a lot of fun. You are correct.
You like writing shaders, don't you?
I'm having. Don't say that. I am having a lot of fun. Noise sample. I can use a new function that I fucking learned about. Are you not? Why are you pissed? Noise sample. Is noise sample? No. Why are we pissed? Invalid arguments for the built-in function. What is wrong with you? You taking a Vec 3 and oh, you want a Vec 3? Let's see. Yeah. Please don't be ass. Okay, it's a little ass. But that's okay because we can fix it. It's a little ass.
What are you trying to do?
Hold on. Noise gates. Is equal to 0 by default, and then do a noise gate here, so it won't show up. Why are you? Why are you so jittery? It's like stupidly. Oh, I know what's going on.
Oh, are you trying to add sparkles?
Yeah.
I was thinking just like particles of some kind. Not necessarily a noise. I don't know. Yeah, I'll let you cook. You know what you're doing probably.
Somewhat. Why are you not moving though? Is the problem. Okay, float time is equal to time times noise times scale. here. So the problem is that it's updating. Or no. The problem is that this is back to time UV. Go to that. Check and then pass it here. And the problem is that this UV going from 0 to 1 gets offset. If I only want it to step a few times, I can multiply it by 50. Then I can time UV is equal to floor of time UV. And then I can divide it by 50. Almost. Okay, that's fine. And then what we'll do is we'll say second noise. For Dante's 9 fans or anyone watching this, dude, I bet motherfuckers are just like, what the hell?
What am I watching?
What the hell is this? Is this allowed? So that will noise gate. Then what I can do? Oh god, this is like so fucked up. I'm like so deep into like so many different layers of this shit. You have no idea. In my mind right now. So this noise sample is this pixel. So what I would like to do is, sorry, where am I? Noise sample. Noise gate. Yeah. Okay. Fuck, hold on. I have something in my brain and I don't know how to untangle this really quickly. Okay, so this will just be the one texture, right? This will look like shit. Sure. Okay, and why aren't you working? Ah, okay. Fuck. This is not doing what I wanted to, JW.
Oh. Looks kind of cool.
Oh wait, sorry. This has to be uniform to second noise times scale. Oh wait, no, sorry, that's not how I do that. I don't even know shaders.
He doesn't even know shaders. Laugh
I don't even know shaders. Odds, point at him and laugh. Yeah, no, this is not doing the effect that I wanted to. I will not even lie to you. I mean, like, there's some cool ideas, but I don't think that that's what I want. I mean, this looks kinda cool, I guess. Yeah, no, I don't know about this. What exactly do you look like in game? It's kind of a cool thing going on, but it's not exactly where I want it to be. You see this?
Yeah, that looks. I like it. Like it's a good start.
There's. Oh, okay. Sorry, I have one more thing that I think I'm going to do.
Mm-hmm.
One very last thing. Ah, shit, you're pissed. Why are you pissed? Because you're not a 1.0. Okay, you're not. That's not the right color, is it?
No. What color are you trying to make it?
I'm trying to make it the same as the card color,
Okay.
or the inverse of the card color.
Interesting. I don't know.
Oh wait, no, sorry. Negative color isn't the card color, is it? No, I guess 1.0 minus negative color. What the fuck is this doing? If it's white, it's black. If it's black, it's white. If it's like red, then it's cyan. So why is this not? Oh, I guess because it is like basically black, right? So what if I were to do like 0.5 minus, and then this was like ever so slightly red. 75 minus. Yeah, maybe that works. That might do it. That's definitely not doing it, but that's fine, I guess. We'll call that there for a thing.
Yeah. I think those look sick still.
It's a cool idea, yeah. But it's not exactly where I want it to be. There's definitely some cooler things that I want from it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just very surprised that there's like something missing. It's wrong there. Dude, every now and then my GPU starts fucking screaming. And I just hear it. And I don't know why. But I'm doing something and my GPU's not happy about it.
You're writing shaders?
I guess so, yeah. Ooh. Wait. What? Oh, wait, no, negative color set to something. Okay, so this should be like... Yes. Yes. Okay, what are the chances? What are the chances we have something cool?
I don't know. Probably like
very low.
1 in 12. Whoa.
Ooh, okay. Okay, there we go. We're getting there. That's what I wanted to do.
Yeah, we might want to make it the brighter color if possible, or just lighten them a little bit.
What do you mean the brighter color?
Like the lighter of the two colors that get inverted.
That's not.
That
It's not
better.
like the. So what's happening is we're taking the color code assigned to the card, and I'm passing that in as a shader argument, and I'm inverting that.
What I'm saying is, you don't have to use the exact other color. I think they would look better. They're a little bit brighter though. Although, I don't know.
Okay.
Depends what you think.
Gotcha. That's fine, yeah. Could even make it brighter through this and do like a times 1.2 or something. Let's see what
Oh,
happens.
hey, we got another. I'm so blind. We got another raid.
How long ago?
I don't know. It doesn't tell me.
Brother. Yes, it does.
Hello. I'm not seeing it. I don't actually have. Where do I get my stream dashboard? I don't have that up because I don't
it
know
was
how.
3 minutes ago. Yeah.
Okay,
You were
let's go.
not paying attention. So what you can do is if you have the Twitch chat open, and then you're like, what's going on here? So there will be events, but you can also click this and you can see their messages and you can see that they said hello 3 minutes ago.
I see.
So, hi.
Cool.
Hi,
Hello.
sorry. I was in the middle of shader code and he was in the middle of waiting for me to finish doing shader code.
Hey, I was
so
watching
he can
your
end stream.
shader code. That is true. Well, now we gotta go for
I will
like
shout you
another
out
5
though.
minutes.
We are about to end stream. So
Yeah.
sorry. This did not multiply the color, I don't think.
I mean, it didn't look
I'm
like
gonna
it did a whole
multiply it
lot.
by like a
in the-
lot.
Yeah, try to do more.
I'm gonna multiply it by like a fuck ton and see what happens. How's it going though, PK? What kind of game dev stuff are you doing? I'm assuming you're a game dev, considering you rated a game dev channel. But
Yeah, there we go. Now it's brighter.
yeah, maybe a bit too bright, but that's fine.
Yeah, I honestly think I liked it better when it was like close to the white. So like somewhere in between, I think would be good.
Yeah. I think I'm happy with this though. It's a cool
Yeah, they
idea.
look really,
I want to
really
do a little
cool.
bit more tweaking with it off stream. Whenever I don't have however many people watching me through your stream, through your eyes.
Yeah.
But it is cool. I do like this. This is a cool looking shader.
Yeah.
But I want to do a little bit more playing around with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think it would look cool if it was in
I
like
can
the
also-
corner or something too.
What'd you say?
I think it would look cool if it was like in the corner or something. Like not the
Oh, like the
center of
actual
card.
sticker?
Yeah.
I wonder if I move this, will it update for? Yeah, it
Oh,
will.
it does. Look at that. Yeah, it looks so cool. Especially with like the stars.
Yeah, it does look super fucking cool.
Wait, if you change the order
sorry.
of the stickers, does it work on the other sticker too? Like if
Sorry,
you
what?
put the diamond sticker behind.
Let me add a sticker to a card really quickly, and then we'll see.
Yeah. Although I think that would add it on top. Oh, you have your weird.
there's
I
some-
forgot you don't have my.
Oh, I
random
do have my
stickers.
weird testing sticker on it.
Yeah.
Fuck.
You could even just like put it in the editor, add it in the through the editor.
Oh no, it doesn't. Oh no, sorry, I have the entire fucking thing. I just moved so much shit around that I was not supposed to.
Okay, well either way, it looks cool. It looks cool.
Yeah, I can.
I think you just changed the ordering of the.
Yeah. I have to go into the thing and find it though.
Yeah.
Sword? Is it called sword? Any chance that I? Yeah, called sword. Oh wait, no, I can do this. Hold up, because we're in Godot. I can hit 2D. I can click on this.
Yo.
I can find this. Swap back to input mode. Go down to card sword. Open this up. Sub viewport. Oh wait, no, the sticker's not part of the shader. Oh no, this is a sprite that I added. I'm
Yeah.
stupid.
Oh, and thanks, BK.
Very nice.
I've done most of the art for this, and Bitlytic here has done a lot of like the tech art stuff, so like shaders and things like that. Ooh, that looks so cool.
Wait, that actually does look fucking sick. I actually don't think I can reorder this inside of the editor. It doesn't look like,
Oh, interesting.
unless,
But other way, it looks cool.
yeah, I don't think I can.
Yeah, we're kind of working as a team. I originally started on the project about a year ago doing solo stuff, and then the programming got a little too complicated for me. So then he's now working as the programmer.
Yes, sir. That does look so fucking cool though. With the
Yeah, it's going over the edge again. Did you move something around, Funky?
it's because I moved it up Z
Oh,
index.
okay. I see. Oh, because you're just testing with the. That makes sense. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Because I would love for it to be. Yeah, no. Oh, you know what I can do? I can actually do this really easy.
And yeah, PK, I used to stream by myself most of the time, but then he just started streaming with me, which is a lot more fun actually. Streaming by yourself is really hard.
Okay, I think this will do it if I add another card. Ah, shit. Sorry, the game crashed.
Oh.
I still need to fix some of the bugs with the card holding thing.
Oh, did you click on that ad sticker?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I've done that like so many times.
Where's the sticker?
Where's the sticker?
Where's the sticker? There's no sticker.
Oh.
It's being hidden. It's behind it. Ah, it's a problem.
Is it a problem?
It is not drawing the it is not drawing the other stickers behind it. I wonder why that would be.
Thing, but...
Yeah, I do too. I definitely do too. So I'm not sure what the best way to be for that was. I'm looking at some of the options. I can't like cause it to render later. Like if I were to toss this in here, what happens if I put two of them? Oh, it's kind of cool. Is it because this isn't a canvas group? Oh no, this needs to be a sprite. Shit. Oh, cool. That's not what I wanted to do, actually, at all. Believe it or not. Yeah, I'll need to do something with it.
Yeah.
I have ideas.
Okay.
I do have ideas for what could be done. Most of them involve back buffer copy, or some other form of bullshit like that.
Yeah, I have no clue how any of that works. So
yeah,
good
it's
luck.
definitely gonna be some weird shader shit that I might do sometime tomorrow.
Okay.
But I'm honestly happy with where this is right now. I don't know why these are drawing in a weird way. They're like drawing on top of the other one, but not really. There we go. I'm very happy with that. I like this idea.
Wait, how did you make it draw on top of each other? Did you change
I
the
changed
Z
the
index?
index
Oh,
again.
okay.
That's why
okay.
it's.
I see.
Yeah, that's why it's over the bar.
Oh,
here.
that's interesting. Is it making it negative again? Is it like doubling the negative?
Oh shit, you're so right.
That's
it
so
is. Wait, that's
cool.
fucking cool. Hold on, I'm moving this around. You're so right. I didn't even notice that. It's because
Because it's doing the
this
negative
sprite-
and it's doing the negative again.
yeah.
That's
So this
interesting.
sprite right here. Oh my god, I can't fucking move it around. Godot, please.
Actually,
Yeah. So if I.
I'm just trying to think. Although I guess that wouldn't work for the mask, but couldn't you just have just loop through all of the stickers in the sticker root and then just set their index based on the their index in the their Z index based on the index of the
So the problem
tree.
with that, the Z index does not work in that way because if the sticker goes up a Z index, it no longer gets clipped by clip children.
Yeah, that's the only thing I was thinking
So
of.
that's
I
the
don't know how you
problem.
do that.
So what I technically could do is set the card mask to really high and set any stickers that are on it to a lower mask or Z index. So like for example, what do we have select? I don't know what I have selected right now. I'm gonna move this down one. So now it's no, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's I have some shit I can do. Don't worry about it. I'll
let
be
you
able to
put
do it. It's just it's gonna be some weird shit.
All right, see you, PK.
But that's fine.
Thanks for
What's
the
up?
raid.
Oh yeah. Good luck. Thank you for the raid. Sorry for ignoring it. I need
yeah, we need
to
to set up
set
alerts. I don't know
alerts.
how any of this works. I literally just started on Twitch.
Yeah. No, but this is cool. I can make it not clip, I think. Oh, there's no way to make it. I forgot I can rotate things because I'm in the editor. So I can do this.
That looks so cool.
It does, yeah.
But I mean, also we're probably not gonna have 2 of them on the same card just because of how the card works. I mean, maybe we could make some.
I mean, yeah,
buffer
but
if you have
like-
multiple.
Yeah.
Like maybe if you have multiple, it counts as like double negative, so it decreases your hand size by 1.
It decreases your hand size by 1. I don't
or
like
no,
it.
I mean it decreases. It gives you 1 extra hand slot.
Oh, okay. It like counts towards
Yeah.
it like
Yeah.
minus twice. Okay, I see. Yeah. This looks so fucking cool, man.
Yeah. And I definitely think we should just allow just regular rotating of stickers.
Yeah, for sure. I
Because
cannot
I don't
wait
really
to...
care about pixel perfect.
There's so much that I need to clean up about this, but I cannot
It
wait to
looks
get this
so
cleaned up.
cool. It looks exactly like I wanted. It looks like it kind of looks like the Celeste glowy things a little bit. Not exactly, but like
Yeah.
that's exactly what I was thinking of.
I can explain to you what I'm doing with the noise
Mhm.
thing if you want later. But it's...
Yeah.
it's... Oh, wait, actually... there's
Yeah,
something
and at
wanted to
first
see
I
with
was
this
like,
video.
oh, it's not pixel perfect. That's terrible. But I think it actually looks really good how it is. It doesn't have to be perfectly pixels.
Wait, what is... vector 3 noise gates plus... plus 0.1 or something like that. Whoa, this created a crazy looking effect on my screen. It's not good, but it's
It's
a
not good.
crazy looking effect.
Whoa.
Look at that! Whoa, that looks fucking crazy.
Yeah.
What is it doing? That looks so fucking cool, and it's not
Oh,
supposed to.
wait. I just thought another cool card that you could do shader stuff for is, you know, like the 3D modeling trick where like you have an object that when you look into it, the texture doesn't move based on where you're looking.
Yeah.
So you can have that.
like whenever you
So,
rotate the card.
so it
does
could be like
not.
a galaxy or something that like when you rotate it, it doesn't change. Like it looks like you're looking
Wait.
into the card with like a galaxy in the background.
Hold on, JW.
I don't know how those work exactly, but those are really sick.
Hold on, JW. I've got to try something now.
Remember when you're like, we should probably end stream a little early because I want to get to bed?
Yeah. Ah, fuck.
Uh,
Hold on. Why is it... I fucked up. No. It's because these are visual, or it's because these are, it's because they're not Node 2Ds. Fuck. Oh, wait, no, I can do something with that. Texture rect. Negative sticker. Material. I should save this out to a material. Yeah, no, I think we should end stream a little bit earlier tonight, because I want to go to bed early.
yeah.
Something. I'm definitely not still doing shader work right now at all. Definitely not doing that. Save as.
one here, actually,
Would be
for anybody in chat who is curious about the game, I should probably like actually send the link. I need to set up a bot to like automatically send it, but here is a link to the Steam page for the game. Oh, why is it not letting me send that? I don't know how Twitch works. Hold up. There we go. There is the link to the store page for anybody that might be interested. Oh yeah, and in the YouTube chat, there's a bot that sends the link. I need to get it for Twitch. Jimmy, we got a raid on Twitch. There's a bunch of people, or not a bunch,
Yeah.
but more than I usually get.
There were quite a few people, yeah.
Yeah, a lot more than I usually get. So, got a promotion max, you know.
Hold on, I've got. Where is the? Do I have a reference to the color in here? I do, yeah. Anyways, what are you up to? What are you doing? Are you just like scrolling Instagram while I'm doing this?
No. No.
No,
No.
definitely not.
Definitely not.
Hey, JW,
Actually,
can I
what?
just point out something really fucking funny about your stream?
Yeah.
So, why is your first message in your own channel the fucking link to your game just now?
What? I don't know, because I've
That
never
was
sent
your-
a message in my own chat.
That's so funny. That's your first message on your Twitch.
I mean,
Hilarious.
what else am I supposed to put in my own Twitch chat?
Nothing. It's just funny.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, sorry. This should be card color. It should be card.get color string passed in through color.html. Yeah.
Why is it
sure, dude.
HTML? Does that like mean something else that I
Web.
like, don't know?
It's because it's used in the web. It's not
Interesting.
specifically in HTML. I just don't know why they.
Yeah, that's just weird. Like, why is it not like from hex?
I don't know. To be honest with you, I have no idea. So you need to be hard.get color string. Texture rect. Yes. Okay, I think this is gonna do something cool. I think this does something dope and sick.
Whoa.
Ooh, it does it in the inventory. I need to change it back to the other thing that wasn't like
What is it doing?
this. Sorry, what?
So what does it do?
So before, we had the shader applied to these dickheads. Now the shader applies to these dickheads.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, the noise threshold is off a little bit, I think.
Oh yeah, because we'll need to apply the stickers to the cards in the inventory too. So I definitely think that would be a good reason to make the card visual the same in both the inventory and the hand, if you know what I'm saying.
Yep. Nope.
English is hard, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you got it, man.
Yeah, I got it.
Wait, what is this? What am I doing? What is this thing that I just wrote? Fuck it. Noise map. What do you do? Oh, you look cool, but you're not supposed to. You're not supposed to look like that. So this was the cool looking one. What did I want to do with this? I guess I could mix between these. Noise sample is equal to noise map. Noise sample 25. See what that looks like in game. That's pretty much what a lot of the shaders stuff is gonna be. Is I'm just gonna like tweak a bunch of values, reload the game, take a look. That looks fucking cool.
It looks kind of cool. It also looks like really terrible at the same time, but it looks
Yeah,
pretty
there's
cool.
like something about it that is for sure.
Hello, Wilson. Why are you on Twitch now?
Fortnite.
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 Up on Elden Ring Night Rain?
He invited me earlier to Elden Ring. Rain.
Yes, man. I want to get it. I'll get it when it's on sale. Hop on Worms WMD. That looks kind of cool. So what are you trying to do?
I don't know. I'm just kind of playing around with shit. I want to make this like a cool looking effect.
Okay.
It currently isn't. It's like cool, but like not that cool, you know?
So are you trying to make a different effect? 'Cause I really
I
like
wouldn't
the
say
other
that.
one, so like...
Well, I'm not replacing it. So this was the old effect.
Oh, okay.
I'm just playing around with
Okay,
like
that's fair.
some ideas.
And another thing, as I was saying with the thing where like when you rotate it, it doesn't like shift or whatever. You could even do that with like how it currently is. So like the particle thingies in the background don't know how you would do that, but make them somehow not shift with the perspective. I think that would look really sick. So it looks like you're looking into the card instead of like they're floating across the card.
Yeah, no, I can do that for sure.
Okay. I'm sure you can. You're like smart or whatever.
It's just that I have a lot of intuition for
Yeah.
shader stuff. Sorry, I fucked up the wrong variable. This should be noise map. Yeah. This might do something cool. We'll find out. Ooh, that does do something cool. It's maybe a bit much, but it is cool.
Yeah, it's a little noisy.
So what I could do is I could remap this to a lower range. So that this becomes minus 0.25. And then I can grab these three values. Oh god. And then I can lamp them so that they don't go above a certain amount. And then we'll see what this looks like, because this would be very this would kill some of the particles in the background.
Okay, interesting.
So that only we can adjust this.
Better.
So
you could also probably adjust some of the noise settings too if you want to.
That's true, yeah. Could definitely do that. Also, the noise gate is a thing that I'm not exactly fucking with right now. Like, I haven't messed with it a whole lot on this pass. I should just make it so you auto-spawn with fucking cards in your hand at this point. There we go.
Ooh,
that's a cool-ish
cool,
one. And then what I could do also is
wait,
for all of this.
I think what could be cool is, you know how you're kind of clamping it before, so it's just like the two colors? Maybe clamping it so it's like 3 or 4 colors. Because right now I think the problem is there's like so many colors on there that it looks really noisy compared to the rest of the textures, which all have like few colors. So that would make it kind of...
I don't know exactly what you mean, I won't lie. I can't immediately visualize what you're saying.
Basically just make it so there's less colors. Because right now, well, not less, what would it be? Brightness variation. So like it clamps.
Brightness variation.
I think it would be less colors.
Like
yes.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yes.
I know what you're saying, yeah.
So clamp it so there's only like 3 or 4 colors.
And I brought back in some of the things. Yeah, I can do that. I'm not gonna do that tonight.
Yeah, yeah, we should probably wrap it up. We're like an hour and a half over when you said you wanted to.
Yeah, I did say that I would go to bed kind of early. Yeah, no, that like this. I kind of like this a decent bit.
Oh, that's kind of interesting.
Where there's like kind of the particles back there, but yeah.
But yeah, maybe make it so like there's the white particles and then there's like the whatever color particles and then a slightly darker of that color particles. So like 3 colors. I don't know how any of this works, so I'm just saying words, and hopefully you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah. I love being the art director.
Yeah, I'm sure you do. Okay, well that didn't do what I wanted it to. Hee. Probably because I need to do this like up here before I do anything else. Right? Wrong? Wrong? Oh, I'm stupid. It's supposed to be noise map. Yeah, there we go. Now we're moving somewhere. Maybe we're not moving somewhere.
We're not moving somewhere. It's over.
Yeah, it's so over. Whatever.
That's kind of what I was thinking, yeah.
Yeah, I know
I
what
think
you're
it might
saying.
need
I
some
know.
work with the noise texture at this point. Maybe. I don't know.
It might need noise texture, you're so right.
Yeah.
I could honestly probably do most of this through the noise texture.
Yeah, and there's probably, I don't know. I'm just trying to think how to make it less noisy.
I mean, if we want to make it less noisy, I'll just go into the thing and I'll say that you are no longer simplex smooth. You're now no longer fractal. You are no fractal. You are cellular. And... oh, that looks weird. I think I chose to edit the wrong noise.
Maybe zoom it a little bit more, like out. No, the other way. In. I said the wrong word. I'm very smart. Looks interesting.
It definitely looks interesting. That's not how I would describe something that looks good, though.
Yeah. I honestly think the original is still the best.
Yeah, that's fair.
So far.
I mean, I can always bring the original back if I just, like...
yeah.
Find where I commented that code out. It's just highlights, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because it doesn't need to be that complicated, because there's also going to be other stickers as well. Yeah, like,
Yeah.
I honestly think that looks just about perfect. I mean, it's fun to mess around, but I really like that one a lot. Also, like, yeah, you should go to bed.
What do you mean, dude? Oh wait, what if I made it do the thing now? What if I made this cellular now with no fractal?
I don't think that quite works. It's too, like, regular.
Yeah. What if I made it fractal? No. Well,
Yeah, maybe. Looks kind of interesting, actually.
I like the simplex better, I think. Ooh, that's a cool looking fucking noise pattern. It doesn't really do it for us, like the...
Actually, that's kind of cool. We can mess around with it.
We can mess around with it as I'm still messing around with it.
Also, you should probably change the preview colors to, like, match the colors that we would have in game most of the time. That might could make it easier to edit as well. Because the red and weird red probably make it a little harder. No offense.
Why is this moving still? Oh, because it's not second noise time scale.
Or are you making it go, like, opposite directions?
Yeah. Sorry, what was the thing that you said?
Like, set the preview color to be, like, the same color as it would be in game.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look
You're
like,
so right.
weird.
I don't even remember what colors. So this is the card color. And then this is like the card color, but like a really, really dark version of the card color, right? So like I just like chopped all of these into pieces.
Sure,
Yeah.
close enough.
Kind of cool. Kind of like it a little bit.
Maybe. I think I still like the other one better.
Just with it sitting still.
It might have been the noise texture that I like better. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, I forgot to change the noise texture because I made it this. Maybe zoomed in or something. I don't know. You can play around with that. There was
Yeah.
also, I think, noise gate shit that I did.
Yeah. Maybe that's what it was. Yeah, maybe there's too many particles. Ooh, I like that. That looks cool.
I want to do something really a little stupid. Which is more shader editing. Just really quickly, please. I say really quickly.
Really quickly.
Noise direction.
It is after midnight.
I know. I'm aware. I see it. You don't need to tell me. Let's see. Time times second noise scale times noise direction.
You know, I could have done like a lot of things in the time that you were working on this. I thought you were gonna be working on this for like 20 minutes and then we were gonna end the stream.
Yeah, no, imagine that.
But that's okay.
Oh, that looks kind of cool. What the fuck? It's kind of, there's like, it's moving up a little bit. It's like that, but like a slower
That does
version.
look kind of cool, yeah. I think it all looks sick.
Oh, this doesn't even have the version in game. Okay, this is the last run, and then I'm ending. I'm going bed.
All right.
I'm not doing any more shader work now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks cool. Looks fucking
Yeah,
dope.
it looks really cool.
Tech art, my beloved. I will move the sticker. I will move the sticker to here, or to the name. I want to see. Oh, yeah, that looks fucking cool. It's not clipped correctly,
yeah,
but
okay.
don't worry about it.
I'm not
Okay,
worrying about
that
it.
is everything for me.
That looks so
Fun.
cool.
It does. I'm really happy with it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I agree.
Yeah, today's stream is gonna end really soon, guys. So
Yeah.
I was gonna get off stream soon.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, well I think that's everything. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. Well, thank you everybody for joining. Thank you to all the people who raided. We got a bunch of raiders, which was unexpected, but pretty cool.
Yeah. You should find someone to raid on YouTube.
You mean Twitch?
Twitch.
How the heck do I do that? What do I do?
I can probably do it for you.
Okay.
Let's take a look at. Am I still sharing my screen? I am. All right. Let's take a look at the software and game development tab of Godot. Whoa, dude.
Whoa.
We are number 3.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Honestly surprised.
All right. Do you see anyone who looks interesting? We can probably just toss them to Hypnotic. Honestly,
I've watched who that is, but sure, why not?
So if you want to raid someone, what you do is you grab their username, or you can do /raid. No, you might have to do this actually. You might have to do /raid if you want to pull it up. Desktop.
Yeah, I can pull it up.
Yeah.
Oop. Oh, there we go.
You got
slash.
This. Yeah. So /raid. And then their name.
Oh, that looks really
which
great.
Is
funky.
Yeah, I'll send it to you in DMs so you can pull it up.
The Infinite.
That's their name.
Raid.
The Infinite. Wow, this is a great stream.
Wonderful stream. What a great way to end the stream.
Yeah.
And I will be streaming definitely the next Tuesday, maybe sometime this weekend as well. I will be announcing in the Discord, obviously. There you go. Let's see if this works. Goodbye, everybody. Let's go. It works.
Doing it?
Yeah, it's doing it. It's doing it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
And you end your stream when it's over. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Did you end your stream? Did you hit the button?
I'm finding the